Sorry, sitting here talking to myself the whole time. We're live. I was sitting here talking to myself the whole time and realized that you wouldn't be able to hear me because I'm down there. Oh, Lord.
Yeah.
Okay. There is a peep.
No, there it is.
Share link to bring guests on live. No, that's not it. Yesterday it just gave me some things that I could just have you add it before I start.
Yeah, I got it. It's good. I'm good. I'm doing it right now.
Okay, perfect. All right.
I'm not too concerned about our thumbnail right now. I mean, it is what it is. We could always do that.
Our thumbnail.
Send me some stuff.
Our lovely thumbnail. So we've sold off a little bit in the overnight session. Did you take any trades in the Asia session? I feel like you did.
Yeah, I did. Go ahead and put my chart up here. Show you my screen. What up, chat? Good morning. Good morning.
Yeah. All right. So first day funded for myself on Top Step and you on Top Step?
Top Step.
Nice. Yeah, we just passed some accounts yesterday. As you guys already saw. But yeah, let's.
Yeah, we're crushing it, honestly. Like I took this trade overnight. If you want to switch to my screen real quick, Abby.
Got you. While I do my setup.
Absolutely. So this was a banger trade, guys. So we made $1,000 on this trade on my personal account and held it from yesterday's close all the way to my target here, which is these equal lows here. I think I sent it in the chat a few times in the Discord. So, you know, we were all tracking it. I think Angel was in there. Who else was in this trade? But anyways, yeah, we were, you know, we bounced off this daily fair value gap a few times and we just couldn't break above it. We're making, you know, lower highs and it's just following good market structure here. So, you know, this pump over in the Asian session was just a stop out and, you know, you could have taken it here and bring it down to these equal lows. So beautiful trade, honestly. So I don't know what to, you know, all the draws of liquidity is kind of met for the session is my problem. So the only thing that like I could think of is like getting a pullback, you know, probably to like Asian low, which is going to be at the price. Let's see where Asia low is. Give me 1 second.
Asia low is at 282, but midnight seems more feasible. It's at 120. Even if we got a pullback to midnight, then we could definitely find a place to get in short.
You mean Asia high is 282?
Yes, that's what I mean.
Yeah, so I'm gonna what I'm saying is a pullback to Asia low or even London low. So what I like to see is something like this, Abby, like this right here, and then coming down like that. So just continuing the trend, make another lower high, you know, continuing this downward trend. Not looking for any reversals here just because we swept liquidity, but we are going to be pushing up here, I believe, for the open. We'll see.
You shall see.
Analysis. So I'll get rid of this so that we can think clearly and not get our ego all hyped up.
All right, I'm gonna just zoom out on the chart and see what it looks like from the daily.
Okay. You want to put your screen?
Chop, but less chop. Yeah, I like moving real slow with this mouse and pen thing that I've gotten.
Oh, okay. Is it not worth it, you think?
It's like once you get used to something like this, it's clutch, but until...
Yeah. I would use that for drawing. That would be sick.
Can you draw?
Yeah, I'm a good drawer. I love drawing.
Then you might be better at this than I am. All right, so...
Osman Bey, nasılsın abi? İyi misin?
Is that Turkish?
Hadi bakalım. Yeah.
Wait, why is it?
Hadi bakalım.
I feel like where am I on this?
Para kazanacağız abi. Para kazanacağız.
Merhaba.
Oh shit! What?
Yeah, you didn't think I speak Turkish?
Excuse me.
I
What?
don't speak Turkish.
Where did that come from?
I know one word in Turkish.
How?
One of my
What's that?
girlfriends is Turkish.
Really? Hmm.
Yeah, when I lived in New York.
Oh,
All
cool.
right. There's a lot of, excuse me. There's some relative equal lows here. There's also all this little
What
space down here.
What are these dots on your screen here?
That's just the split. I'm on a 4-hour time frame right now. So
Oh,
just looking at possible draws below. Yeah. So we have all that area to kind of fill in right here. Hopefully we do get a pushback up in this area, and then we can get in, and that can be the draw on liquidity. This is the lows to the left. It's also a relative equal low. This is a bunch of 1-hour gaps. So
okay.
that shall be target.
Nice. Okay.
Should we take the inversion back up?
Potentially. We have if we close on the 15 on this inversion, I mean it's pretty heavy on the sell side. So I mean if we get like some kind of V-shaped recovery, that would be pretty crazy. Otherwise, it would have to be a wassel because this could keep messing with us.
Big ass white ass stop.
Wassel. You guys know what wassel is?
Wide ass stop loss.
My mentor back at it. Who's your mentor? Me or Abby or us?
Us.
Us. I feel like a lot of people are looking for that.
Yes. All right. What are we doing?
Yeah, I'm waiting for this 15-minute to close, right? What's the VWAP saying, Abby?
The VWAP gods are saying, hold on a second. I think this was London lows and this was Asia lows. Let me just mark these. Sorry, I don't want random things on my chart that I don't know what they are. Okay. Well, the VWAP is saying we're going up. Nothing really.
Buyers in control.
Buyers are in right now.
So what I like to look at, let's see, for the VWAP stuff.
You're not sharing?
No, I'm going to share right now.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, potentially to retest this 4-hour gap that we just mitigated, right? Which is going to be at those. This is the 4-hour gap that we mitigated, or we're going to close below in about 20 minutes. So what I like to see is coming back to retest this for an entry lower. Okay. What do you think about that, Abby? Because that lines up with the session liquidity as well, like Asia lows, London lows. So like retapping back into it and coming back down. I want to follow trend here. I'm not sure if you want to go for a scalp long, go for it.
Yeah, I'm probably not going to, just because right now, being on a brand new funded account, my first trade needs to be A+ setup so that I can start building a buffer.
Okay. Yeah, I already took a trade on my new funded. It's up like 600.
That's just phenomenal. Thanks for letting me know.
Well,
thanks for calling me and saying, hey, I'm trading right now.
Well, you were busy. You're doing something.
How was I busy?
You're snorkeling. You told me
that was early. I went like right after we got off, and then I went to the doctor, and then I was home by like 3:30. I could have traded. We can do like a little afternoon. If you're ever trading and you want, just call me and we can get back on and live trade it, because it helps build people like a lot easier. A lot of people, for some reason, are on
Well,
different countries.
well,
And different
well. What up? What up, bro? What up, bro? Yeah, I think a lot of people are looking for that kind of time of the day because they work day jobs and they're like, yo, I can't trade during New York session. I need something for, uh, I need something for, in the afternoon or in the evening.
yeah.
So there's definitely a demand for it. So we're gonna look to maybe start something up here soon. So stay tuned, chat. Some great things happening. Great things are upon us. We have great guests that are going to be joining us next week. It's going to be blowing up. You guys are at the grassroots right here.
Whatever that word means, yes.
Grassroots, it's like the beginnings of something.
I'm gonna quickly switch my setup real quick.
What up, my boy? What up, Harry? My boy Harry in the chat. Yeah, I told a bunch of my friends, trading buddies, going live
Fire.
nowadays.
Fire. Good morning, everybody. All right, so we're gonna go present. We're gonna go share screen, and we want the entire window over there.
Yeah, I like this. I like this fair value gap here on the 15-minute to be tapped into. Actually, let's see. I don't know. This is a pretty strong buying pressure, so I wouldn't be too surprised. But like this is one of my plays here, like to take it at London low here. So to take it on London low, take it short. So retest of London low, take it to 50%. I know it's a little bit confusing to look at. So this is the 4-hour gap. So I'll just go ahead and mark this off. This is 4-hour inversion gap. So at about, I think, yeah. And wait, 12 minutes, or wait, hold on, how long? In 16 minutes. So in 16 minutes, this would be inversion gap. And I want to take it short down to 50% of this move. So let's go to a smaller time frame. I want 50% of this pump up. So I'm going to take a fib from low to high here. And I want to take it like this. This is my play right here. Boom. This is going to be my trade and my thesis. Okay. That's my trade, chat. Okay. That's my thesis, chat. And that will also be in line with the optimal trade entry for this leg down. Okay, so you're seeing this from this high, this swing high to this swing low. This is going to be in the premium of that range. So we don't want to take sells in discount, right? We don't want to be down here and selling it. We want to be in the premium of the range. Okay, premium is 50% area, 50% 618 golden zone. So this is a perfect play. This is lining up to be a good play right here. If we get a nice tap here in the next 15 minutes to fully mitigate this 4-hour gap, we'll be Gucci for the trade.
You're pulling your fib from the swing high to the swing low?
Yes. So from 29,137 to our local low here at 28.6. I'm not gonna say 28. I'm just gonna say 657.
And you're looking for price to get up above the 50% mark?
Yeah, like right around there, like 50% or 618 in that general area. That's gonna line up with the London low, and I'm looking to take it to 50%, which is going to be the low hanging fruit. I'm not looking for a new low a day just because we sold off so aggressively here.
Quick pause.
Hello?
Lar, don't trade until we take trades today. You, sir, cannot be blowing your accounts every day. We got to get you right.
Harry's like, I love the analysis. Don't forget the level at 62% retracement. Sell that shit. Yeah. My
Good
man Harry.
afternoon. Good afternoon.
Chat, we're feeling good. We have peptides in our system. We are rocking and rolling. Guys, if you have any markups, send it in the chat. You guys know how to send a markup? It's going to be right here. It's going to be this icon on the top right here, this picture icon. Take a snapshot and copy link. And you're going to copy that link to the YouTube chat. If you've taken a trade, if you're looking at something, you want us to look at markup, please send it in the chat. Love to have more engagement and a little bit more back and forth with the chat would be great. We could dig deeper into this, which is a little sussy. So is this 15-minute gap, this unmitigated 15-minute gap? So we could dig deeper into this and still be valid on the trade, right? We could still come up into this here. We can still come up into this gap and come down, but this is a safe area, 50%. We'll see what happens. Yeah, sorry.
No, a personal note. My stack has to be fasted, and I want my Red Bull.
You what? You ate?
I said I want my Red Bull.
Oh, you ate your Red Bull. Well, yeah.
I want it.
Well, that's why you got to take the test at night. Take it at night.
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what that is. I don't know. Okay.
Dude, Harry, I watched The Odyssey too, man. Such a sick movie. Did you watch it, Abby?
I have not watched it. Is it worth watching?
Absolutely. So good.
I'll have to get on that. Somebody told me that they were watching it. I was like, do you know Ryan Robarge?
Yeah.
See that? Hold on, I'm gonna tell Ryan to join us real quick.
Bro.
Pull up, brother.
Does he live? Doesn't he live by you?
Yeah. We're actually friends. Like, he's the one who got me into trading. Skydiving. I met him skydiving, and he got me into trading.
Oh, no way, dude. Yeah, he's cool. I met him in person in Dallas a couple years ago.
Here, I'm gonna just FaceTime him. Be like, what are you doing? He's not up yet. He's up at 7 normally. He's like getting his little black coffee and open it. Like, I used to be on FaceTime with him every single day, like trying to like learn how to trade. And
yeah,
I refused to do the BSC because I was like, no, I'll figure it out myself. And I was like, for a year straight, just like FaceTiming him. And he's like, just do it. Just do the BSC. And I was like, no. Back when it was $500.
Oh, yeah. Damn.
He's not awake yet. We'll give him a few minutes and then we'll pester him again.
I'm sure he's trading.
I asked him, I was like, do you want to come on? Do you want to like come trade with me? And he was like, yeah, I'll come on. And I was like, all right, sick. Say less. I'm going to be live streaming. Nice. So I'll get on at some point. He had his best week like last week. I think it was like 4,000 or something. I was like, my best week is way more than 4,000, but I didn't take a payout on it, so it doesn't count.
Yeah, you got to take a payout.
I think my best week was like actually like 9,009.
That was your biggest one, right? Yeah.
9,900 was like my best payout. Oh, like best week with payout.
Well, like best month, would you say that was your best month?
I mean, that came right at the end of a month. So yeah, I guess.
Yeah. I'm about to have my biggest month this month.
I'm about to have my biggest month next month.
Let's go.
What is your biggest month?
Right now on the road for 7. We still have a lot more time though. We got 1 more week. I could bring it to 10. You know what I'm saying?
Actually, I think I'll have my best month this month.
Let's do it.
Yeah, I think I'll
Let's
have
do it.
12K this month.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's fucking awesome.
I'm gonna do it.
We got to get you off those, Abby.
I don't drink them very often. It's just I bought 2.
Oh, I've only seen you drink them.
No, listen. Hear me out. I bought 2 because I knew I was about to be starting stream. I actually thought I was going to be doing stream by myself, so I was like, I need to be able to talk, right? So I bought 2. This is our 4th day streaming, maybe 3rd. I don't even know. What day is it? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday.
Yeah.
So I only drank half of this yesterday. This is the same one as yesterday. This is huge. This is 12 ounces. I can't even drink 12 ounces of water. They should make something that is water that tastes like Red Bull, and then I would drink so much water.
Oh my God. You are so funny.
I can't help it.
I have the electrolysis machine, so I drink alkalized water.
Yeah, see, I just don't like water, so. But you know what? I will have a sip of water before I drink it out of this big ass thing. I will have a sip of water before I drink the Red Bull. So.
Okay. Yeah, I think you have to be fasted for a couple hours after you take those supplements.
I don't care. It's all right. Fasted's water. Water is fasted.
Honestly, I just do black coffee, Meiji Kani. I just do black coffee and
black coffee, but it raises the shit out of your cortisol, right?
You know what, Abby? I keep getting these things on my feed about cortisol being spiked, and last night I woke up the middle of the night, couldn't go back to sleep, and I think it's my cortisol. What happened to you? What happened to you?
You know how if you swipe, on a Mac, if you swipe your fingers this way, it takes you to the previous page, so I just kicked myself out.
Oh.
I just wanted to play. What up, Strange? Nice to see you again. The only reason why I don't prefer Monster over Red Bull is because I knew somebody who drank so many of them, and it was this kid in high school, and he started getting white stuff coming out of his pores, and I was like,
ew, what the
yeah, I don't know if it was from sugar or the chemicals in it, but it was really wild. So they stopped drinking them and just completely quit drinking them, and then it went away.
Jeez.
But yeah, I know.
There's so many toxic chemicals. I'm kind of like a natural kind of guy, you know what I mean?
Same, except for Red Bull. But I don't have it that often. Maybe once every month.
Okay, I don't judge you. I don't judge you.
Strange, if you were here with us, you would be sitting on your hands because we're sitting on our hands right now waiting for the best. Oh no. Yeah, Guru, guys, where are you before us? Where are you trading that you're losing money? Get on and
tap in, guys.
Hey, come on, guys.
I mean, 400. Is it managed? Is it a managed loss? What size is the account, or where? Give us a little more deets. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because you could take a $400 loss and be chilling, or you could be your face is swelling a bit.
But I can't help that if I smile, my face gets swollen. No, I actually I have a dermatologist appointment today, so I wasn't gonna put makeup on, but then last minute I put it on. So I think I just made my face look fat. Can you leave me alone? My feelings are hurt.
Guys, Abby looks great, right? Chat.
I'm gonna cry. I can literally cry. Yeah,
All
don't
right.
worry. Like, yeah, I'm gonna agree with Trails on this. Guru
Yeah.
and Strange and Valar, you guys just slow it down, do
Yeah,
less,
man.
watch more, give it some time, and you're gonna make it. It just takes time. We do them every day,
Absolutely.
my friend, but gotta see you
Yeah, we're
active in
here.
the chat to put you in here.
Yeah,
What up,
we like
Mon?
seeing regular faces, you know.
Yeah, thanks, Trails.
Trails, what about me? What about you, girl?
Meji. So long with okay, so I was in a long on gold when the market opened today. It did not get a target TP, but it didn't put TP, so I got fried in the market. Oh, well, personally, I wouldn't be holding trades into the open because you just don't know. But hey, you know what? There's always tomorrow.
Right, exactly. I would treat pre-market separate from New York Open. So like as soon as New York opens, you want to be out of your trade. That's just a good practice to have. Even though I didn't do that, but oh, actually I did do that.
The two of
Pause.
you both holding trades into the open. Don't trade the open. Wait 15 minutes for the opening market to like shake out all that volatility, and
Mm-hmm.
then start trading. Then start looking for your setups. Like we're not getting in and out of trades just for clicking a button or for funsies. We're
Right.
sitting waiting for the proper setup, and once we have a proper setup, getting in. Also,
Exactly.
I'm looking at this right now based off our analysis this morning, saying like, okay, we could see this go up to Asia or London lows,
Hmm.
and then to
Yeah.
get that sell off.
Yeah.
I'm almost feeling like we're gonna sit here and chop because
Potentially. Yeah, potentially. Because we had a strong sell-off, right? No
right,
news catalysts. We took liquidity,
right.
potentially. Let's
Like
see what VWAPs are saying. No break of the opening range yet. So, we're talking about the 15-minute, first 15-minute, first 15 minutes of the open. This is the range. So from 661 to 881. So we have, what is that? How many points is that?
we got 15 people on the stream. Drop a
Right.
like if you
So we
appreciate.
haven't broken out of the range yet. So we're looking for some kind of break out of this range, so we can look for some potential trades. So what I like to see is a pullback up here, touch overnight VWAP, and it's going to line up with all of our confluences and take that bad boy down.
Valid.
Mejikani.
Yes.
Mejikani's with me.
Yes, Erkan. Preach. Preach, Erkan. Let's see. I mean, we're forming currently. We're not taking out the low where opening range low is yet. We look like we're showing some resistance here. We might put in a higher low, head back up. But if we can't put in a higher high, we're just sitting here chopping around. This might be like a really trash day to trade. And I'm not going to sit here and blow my.
Because exactly. I mean, a lot of people are feeling FOMO right now. They're waking up, they seeing this huge sell-off, and they're like, "What? I missed out right now. I feel a lot of FOMO." So they're gonna take advantage of that, the market makers. And
We
yes,
should
there are market makers.
not me forgetting to activate my accounts.
I know I had to do that last night.
Yeah, like good thing I'm not sitting here like. Okay, wait. How do you do it?
You have to go to accounts. So go to your dashboard. I'll walk you through it.
Topstep.com.
Yeah, so guys, if you're just joining us, we both passed the top step 150K, right? It was 150K for you or 100?
200Ks.
200Ks. Savage. So she's locked in with 200Ks from Top Step. I'm locked in with two 150Ks on Top Step. I'm looking to add another one. Probably, I mean, might as well make it next week. Just finish up Erkan looks so healthy. I'd be sitting on the charts whole day and my face got like a potato. I try to take care of myself, man. Some health
All right,
tips, bro? Okay.
right quick. Walk me through this.
Okay. All right, I'll tell you in a second. Give me 1 second. Let me help Happy real quick. So go to top step, go to accounts. Or no, I'll tell you right now. Hold on.
Is it this little button right here? Yeah. It's this. Okay. Activate, express funded. Which one do you typically do?
I do the left. I do the standard.
Yeah. That 40% consistency rule is kind of whack, huh?
Yeah, it's whack.
It makes you kind of want to get to 8K with 40% in 3 days.
Yeah, I don't know.
What's 40% times 8,000? Wait. That's
what are you talking about?
That would be 3,200.
Can you make like a total of 3,200 for 3 days and then you can take an 8K payout? Is that right?
8K?
Like if you're the payout cap is 8K, right? 3 days, 40% consistency. Does that mean so you do 8,000 times 0.40? So you can make 3,200 a day times 3. So technically you could make $3,200 3 days in a row and you'll take $8,000.
Okay. I'm not that good at math. That's why I don't do that consistency bullshit. But I'm sure you're right.
That way. If you take 8,000, you get how much? Is it 50? Is it 80%?
No, you get you could take 50% of your account balance. You could take 50% of your account balance after 5 days of or trade 3 days rather. It says 3 days for this consistency one.
I see.
3 days of I think $150.
You would technically need to do like 5 days of 3,200 to get 8,000 of a payout.
Okay.
So like to have 16K in your bank account, to have 16K in there, you'd need 3,200 times 5 days. So regardless, you'd be trading. You would just be risking trying to get 3,200 in a day times 5 days. Or, you could do 10 days of 1,600, 1,700. But 12,000, let me see. 12,000 divided by 5.
The answer is
2,400 times 5 days, and then you'd be able to take a 6K payout cap. So I feel like this consistency one, even though it's a $2,000 higher payout cap, it kind of feels like it puts you in a mindset of wanting to like rush. Plus you have the consistency, which the consistency is fine. It doesn't really hinder you that much. But
all those things are traps. They're all mental traps they're all mental traps
yeah. So maybe
that's just up to you. It's totally up to you. If you know how to play that game and like you could do the math with it and you're very good like that.
I think I did I think I made my last payout with a prop firm at a 40% consistency and I took like 9K, but it still is like one of those things that it's like
try it. Try it out, and if it works well for you, I'll do my next one like that too.
Let me think, because once you do it, you can't undo it.
Yeah. Chat, what should she do? Have you guys ever been in this situation? What should she do? Should she do the consistency route or the YOLO route?
Because like the last 2 days, I have made 3,000. And I wasn't risking anything crazy. I think there was one time that I put like 10 or 15 contracts on. But other than that, I was trading like 5, 3, 6 micros. So I feel like it's definitely possible. But I don't want to like put myself in a position where Like I don't know. I trade these a little bit different. I don't swing them the way that I swing evals. So
Yeah.
I don't know. 3,200.
Yeah. Do you want to trade your eval relatively similar to your, if you're in the newer stages, you want to trade your eval same way you're going to trade your funded. If you have the skill set to go a little bit heavier on the evals, that way you can pass it faster, and then kind of downshift into the mindset of, you know, risk management.
Is that
You gotta know
better?
yourself. You gotta know yourself there.
Somebody said they had to change their screen light to like see me.
Tales of Imoku. Yes, I think bots are good. I have a bot actually, and it's doing okay. It's not like anything amazing. It's not that great. I mean, long run, yeah, like it's gonna take a long time. You could be a lot better doing manual trading. At least I have been. So,
Damn.
going back to
Somebody said, like, what prop firm rules do you try to avoid, dislike? The silent ones, like I know that Apex, they have like silent rules where they don't tell you immediately if you do something wrong. They tell you in the end. And I feel like that's a bit shady. If they're going to put rules in there, like you can't trade news and beep bop, boppity bop, that they should probably trigger it to close you out of your trade or not allow you to take the trade. And I know Top Step does that with certain things like trading after hours, but Apex kind of has silent ones. So I think that's a little shady. TM, nice. Glad you got your account.
Nice.
Trade it safe, put some risk settings on. Guys, pick one for me. Do I do the consistency or do I do the standard? Like, what is the date right now? 23rd?
Today's the 23rd.
23rd. Where's my calendar at? Calendar.
Tales of Imoku. I just wanted to go back to your question about like health stuff and stuff. You know, like kind of if you're, you know, if you want to DM me, that way you can like talk to you a little bit more about it. I think that for some reason, I feel like we need to DM each other intuitively. I feel it.
All right. Well, Mohammed's saying standard. Oh, wait.
Standard is more than enough. Mohammed's saying standard. Petru's saying consistency.
Is the difference of needing 16K in the account at a consistency rule and needing 12K with no consistency? So, like, let's say that I take a trade and I let it run because it's just a big move. It's the difference. Like, on the standard, you can just let it run. I can make full 12K in one day.
Yeah.
3,200 is going to be my profit, and I have to come back and make sure that I don't get over 3,200. So
yeah, so it's more of like you got to know, what am I ready for? Like, what do I want to do? You want to go for that one?
Yeah.
Standard, right? All right. Very good.
We'll just do what we do here. Daily loss limit protected. What? I actually, you know what, guys? In a way, I do and I don't like the daily loss. I think the daily pause is good when you're trading and you hit that point and then it's like, I got like, 2/3 of my account's gone.
Yeah.
So it was good when I was new, but now I'm like, I don't like that rule because
same.
There are times that I'm like, oh, perfect. I see my setup. I see everything perfectly, but I might have taken a losing trade earlier. And then this is my second stab. And then I just need to give it more room because something else prints and I'm like, da-da-da. So that might be one that I think is a little annoying.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Dare I say, I've only taken 3 payouts with this firm.
That's okay. More to come. More to come.
I think, what was there, like 49 past accounts? I should just do a video on that. How I passed 49 Top Step accounts and only took 3 payouts. Do you know what? Like most of those were $150 activation fees. I can't even tell you how much money I spent.
Oh yeah,
Like,
I mean not as much as you, but yeah, I've been there too.
I will say though, like I knew what I was doing, and I knew what I needed to do, and I was passing accounts, and I was doing good. But I didn't yet get to a point where I knew how to take a payout because I had never taken a payout. And so the day before a payout, I would always blow it. Or like 2-3 days before a payout, I would always blow the accounts. It's
Yeah.
a psychology thing. Like until something
Absolutely.
really you don't know.
That's why sometimes a useful thing that I do is just blocking out the balance and everything, and I just trade normal. I don't focus on P&L. I don't focus on anything like that. Just trade well.
This is a good one that did help me a lot when I took my first payouts was setting a trade limit. I think I would put 8 because I add into positions, and
Okay.
every add-in counts as a trade.
Yeah.
So I put 8, and then I would try to take like 2 ideas of trades per day when I was trading before, and that was really helpful.
Okay. Yeah, that's why I like Top Step, because you could put those guardrails when you need them, and if you don't need them at the different periods of your trading, you just take them off. You got to be like fluid with yourself like that. Not being so hard on rules like that. Just being able to flow.
Look at this crummery.
Yeah, it's trash.
Yeah.
New York session, man. New York session has been.
We should trade Asia tonight.
Yeah, I'm down.
I'm not doing anything. What time is Asia session for us?
So we could hop on at like 5-ish.
Okay, let's do it. Like 5
Yeah.
hour time, right?
Yeah, our time.
Okay, let's do that.
Cool.
Let's do like an hour or something, like in the Asia session.
Okay, so chat will be on a little bit later today. So put your bell notifications on. Make sure you tap in with us a little bit later on today as well. If we don't get anything here, we'll get something in Asia. We got all day. Abundance mindset, baby.
Oh, show. If you're not already, if we have new viewers, if you're new to this stream, drop a comment real quick. I want to see if most of the people are coming from my Discord or if they're coming from Think. If you came from, I think I can see it. There's little links.
Yeah,
but if
there's
you
little links. Yeah.
Drop a message as well and just put Erkan's name. But yeah, if you're new to the stream, I want to know if you, I know you're old. Alex, nice to see you again. But yeah, if you're not in my Discord already, go to the description because we'll notify you guys when we're going live. And pretty much every live, I'm trying to do giveaways. So I know you guys are out there and new traders and it's expensive. So we're trying to hook you guys up as much as possible.
Absolutely.
Brought to you by
love.
Top 1 Futures, my gangs. First time here, I saw you both from E8. Nice. I started E8's live stream. So nice to see you again. Glad you're still here with us.
Yeah, nom.
Erkan was no, you were supposed to be my very first guest, but they had somebody that only had 1 date available. So he was my second guest.
That was your first guest for your Percy.
Yes, you were. He would have been my first guest on both, but I'm new to be.
I'm just there first, you know what I mean?
Manish, you've been with us, I feel like. I think I've seen our username. Ashbourne, nice. Hello, welcome to stream. If you guys want us to stream Asia session, hit the like button.
Hit that like.
Hit that like button.
Put that bell notification on. Follow us on the socials. Tap in with us.
Yeah, we got all our socials below. You'll find all of my live trades posted on X, and then you will find my live streaming on YouTube, and all of the notifications, sometimes random giveaways and stuff, will be in Discord.
So yeah, right now there is no edge for me, you know, at this current price action for the Nasdaq.
Yeah, this is
I don't want to short. I don't want to short the lows. I don't want to long this here too far. Not enough bullish momentum. So hands off for right now.
Yeah, like this is the perfect time to sit on your hands, be patient, don't take a trade. Like, I promise you, when there's a trade, we will take it, but there's nothing. So if we're not trading, you should definitely not be trading. And it's okay. We'll just sit here, we'll hang out, we'll chat. If you guys want to talk about a random topic, or you want to ask questions or learn something or whatever, like let's run it, because we're not trading at this moment.
Yeah. I mean, 90% of trading is like waiting, right, guys? So you are kind of trading. You're trading your attention for, in exchange for potential profits, right?
Muhammad said, if you focus more on X, our community will grow even more. I love that you said our community. That makes my heart warm. I love that. I'll focus more on X, but like, what do you want me to focus on? Like, I post my trades. I don't know really what else, like, what else do people post? I post my, hey guys, I just ate a sandwich.
I don't know. We have to ask our fellow comrades that are in the social media space what they do. We'll get some tips from them.
Right here, Erkan, how long you been trading for?
I've been trading since 2017. So almost in November, it'll be 9 years.
The first time I made money in trading was crypto, and it was back in like 2013, but I don't think it counts because I didn't know what I was doing.
Was it Bitcoin?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, same.
I banked on Bitcoin.
Same.
I have continually banked on Bitcoin. So like, really? people always say like, it's going to zero. I'm like, if it goes to zero, I still came out on top. So like, if in 2022, I put my entire bank account in, which was not much. It was like 32,000 or something. And I saw it go all the way down to like 6 or 7K. And then fast forward, I saw it go up to 130K. Now it's back down at like a fraction of that. So
that's right. You still hold in the bag.
If it goes to zero, then I'm like, all right, well, it's fine. I still made money like overall. But if it doesn't go to zero, guys, I will put it up on screen of me cashing out my Bitcoin at the ATH. I will put it on screen for all these motherfuckers. All these people that wanted to shit talk it. But if it goes to zero, I'll put it on screen too, because that's just,
Should I take a 1K payout here? While we wait for this shenanigans.
Oh, sure.
Take a 1K payout.
Do it. Take that payout.
All right. Not sure if I should show that actually.
Well, I'll take you off and to show it.
It's on the personal. But
if there's like account numbers, just maybe don't show those.
Yeah, let me do it, and then I'll filter whatever information.
Yeah, take like $1 payout, see what it looks like. Yeah, I truly like
$1,000 a day for you, boy.
This is this is part of it, but this is my portfolio. Oh no, hold on. My screen's really dirty. Let me do all that. This is my portfolio right now in crypto. You see all those red.
Red.
Just red. All red. Every single one of them. It's funny.
Guys, this is real. This is real. We do this. We put real risk on the table.
Real risk on the table. Bruh.
You know?
So I got this tip to buy this meme coin. It's called Troll.
Oh god.
So
It's already gonna be a dump-a-thon.
$500 worth of Troll. It went up to like 3x. I sold 500. So now no matter what, I still have money in there, and I took out my money. And so basically I had people that were telling me, oh, we just put this in our thing, like this is gonna be the next thing. And like, sure, maybe it will. I still have like 5,000 shares of it, over 5,000. And I'm like, all right, like go to a couple bucks. I'm chill with that. But I didn't lose any money on it, and it's a meme coin. And that's the way that meme coins should be used. Like, put your money in. Dude, that's crazy. I also have like 100,000 PayPay in this one account, and it's worth $2. $2.
She got the PayPay.
PayPay. I love
She got the
PayPay.
PayPay. Oh my god! I you don't want to know. I got Trump coin like with Austin and everybody at one of the boot camps. We all were buying it,
Oh
and
no.
oh my god, it was such a bad idea. And even Clay, he I think he bought like $100,000 worth of it or something. I was like, dude, you are nuts.
I'm gonna ask
And
him about that.
No, don't, because it could. No.
No, I'm just being like, how much did you put into Trump coin? Be honest.
Maybe we'll talk about it on stream. I'll ask him.
Here, let's run back to
And
these
then-
comments real quick. Also, YouTube Shorts, explain why you took the trade. Those are super helpful. I love that. That's actually a great idea. Now, do I have the patience to sit and edit a video? No. I don't. Oh, content. Okay.
Let me show you guys my payout.
Oh, wait.
Show you guys my payout.
We'll do this activity real quick. Share, copy, then we'll go to X. See, this is a way that I could use
Yeah,
this
we gotta do
account.
that. Well, there's a way that we can stream to both, so we gotta figure that out.
Oh, I know how to do that. I don't know how I can get you to do it on yours. Do you have a bigger following?
I think you do.
I don't have a following at all. I have like 500 people. I don't even have
I
500
have a
people.
lot. I have like less than
498. Guys, can anybody change this for me? Make that like a solid number of 500. I'd be eternally grateful. Also, this E8 plaque is still on my thing.
Bye.
It's fine. I'll wrap. How do I do it? Ooh, it's not a bad idea.
What?
Streaming to thing.
Yeah.
Because like it's just a whole other network of people.
Absolutely. So we'll do that. We'll do that for the next. We'll do that next week. We'll tap in with that.
No, we're already doing it. We're live
Oh.
on X now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Look, we're live.
Oh,
Oh, $4.99. Thank you.
guys, let's go.
There. If anybody can just, add one. By the way, if you guys didn't know, I was born in 1963.
She's her skin is just.
Call me Granny.
A1.
Ooh la la. He said, drop the link. Okay, let me do that. How do I? There you go. Thank you. Okay, so back to these comments. You guys have been talking about learning the ability to take payouts. It is interesting. The feeling close to blowing the eval, or are you really close to passing it? How to prepare for it. Okay, I have a good one for this. I was in a cycle of being 1, 2, or 3 days away from taking a payout. In a funded account, I had the money in there, and then I would be very, very close and below the accounts. And what I started doing was placing a risk setting in the account when I started trading it, the funded. Like right now I have $1,000 risk setting. My account balance is 3,000 drawdown. So that gives me a little bit of room for my first trades, but my first trade needs to be an A plus setup. I'm not going to be trading whatever BS this is, right? I'm looking for my perfect setup to take my first trades because I want to build a buffer in the account first. If I can build a buffer that's over $3,000, that makes me feel better. And on those last days, I just do 150 target, 150 target, 150 target. If it makes sense,
absolutely.
Cool. If it doesn't, whatever. We're
exactly.
happy with not shooting for the stars. Because when I shoot for the stars and I try to get that $1,000 a day, that's when I would blow the accounts.
Yes,
especially
exactly.
if I lost like $200, I'd be like, no, I can make it back, and then I'd lose the whole thing.
Mm-hmm. I gotta get a better light. I look too tan.
Do you have a light?
Yeah, I have a light, but it's like not bright enough.
I'll send you a link. Actually, I probably did send you a link already.
You did.
Yeah.
Switch to my screen real quick. I just want to show my payout that I requested.
Being bought.
Chat dubs in the chat for my personal account. $1,000 on the day. W's. We do this stuff. Taking myself some Wagyu steak.
Sir, I have an account with money sitting in it, and I want to day trade it. How do I start? It's on Thinkorswim.
Switch over to TradeStation.
I don't know what that means.
TradeStation is a broker that is very reputable, and they don't have any fees. They don't have, it's very quick withdrawals, very quick deposits, no fees. TradeStation. It's very popular.
Okay. So, here's another thing. I can't. So, I'm on Thinkorswim, and I want to day trade. There is no futures, I don't think. I want to day trade stocks.
Oh.
What am I doing?
Oh. I don't know about all that. I haven't done. I've never done that.
You just do futures with your cash account?
Yeah, just do futures. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Maybe I
leverage futures. They're gonna have leveraged. They're gonna have individual stocks for the futures pretty soon, guys. So that's gonna be bananas.
Oh no. Do you know what this is? Oh. Okay, sorry, I can't draw a straight line. Forgive me. Oh no.
A channel?
Hold on. Let me try again.
There is a straight tool, you could use the line.
Listen, I'm just trying to learn how to use this mouse. What is this, guys? Oh
guys,
no,
what is this?
That's not a straight line. I can't do a straight line. Nah, Erkan,
yeah, I mean we're making trend line liquidity right now. So I'll show you my if you guys look at that right there, that's the trend line.
You're not sharing a screen.
I would okay.
This guy, man.
At some point.
Somebody tell this guy. Technology.
Anyway,
this is a flag, right? So we're just looking for it to break one side.
Yeah. So this is called trend line liquidity. So this is stacking orders here, and the VWAP is flat. We're looking to break it probably to the upside here. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a pop to the upside. Once we do pop this, looking to take it. Well, I'm not sure if I wanted to take this. I would just want to take it I just want to be short today. Once we get this break of the opening range high, and I want to take it down. That's what I want to do. I'm not looking to trade this up into that. But That's my magnet right there. These overnight VWAPs, previous days VWAP. That's my magnet. But this session is chopped, chat. This session is chopped.
For now.
For now.
For now. Oh! Oh, you guys did it! They did it.
They did it?
They did it. We're at 502.
Dubs.
Why do we look so much brighter on here than we do on StreamYard?
Yeah, I know.
Wow. So we have 31 people viewing right now. Love.
Sick.
Love. Well,
We got to figure out how I can tag me, or we'll figure that out. Or if you could figure that out now, we're not doing anything.
You know what? However you did it before, you can do it now. Like, it should work.
For X?
Yeah, however you just did it, you should be able to do it again.
Do what? I didn't do anything.
You like added your link in. You're linked.
Oh.
Yeah.
For YouTube?
Yeah.
Linked for YouTube, so I could edit that? Is that what you're saying?
Probably. And like, oh look, we're breaking the downside.
Okay. Still no breakup opening range, but it's interesting. Let's see.
This is
Oh, I see what you're saying.
This is a sell signal, y'all. Did you find it?
Yes, I did find it, so I'm just loading it up.
No.
Hey, I'm like getting better at this because I've never been a StreamYard kind of guy. So over time.
Okay, so look, so cool. You can see, so there's 18 people viewing on my YouTube. There's one person viewing on your YouTube, and then there's 12 people viewing from my X. So yeah, we need to get X on there. It's like it doubles the numbers. Guys, if you're here with us right now, we're gonna do a giveaway today, and we are still sitting on hands because we haven't found any good trades, but we are now breaking to the downside. This is great. I might put an order right here. If it retests this little area,
you're selling at a discount. But you're looking for first break of opening range, Abby?
We are breaking opening range, but if we can come back up.
Oh, first break of opening range does not sustain.
I know.
So we got our first break. If we get a strong break of New York here and the trend line liquidity, I'm looking to take that up.
You are looking now, the short guy is looking for the longs. Okay, fine.
I'm helping, your thesis.
Here's one for you. What if we come up to the New York and we just want to keep selling?
Then
you're taking shorts?
Probably not.
Okay. We're going to watch how it responds to this. If we reject it, cool, we'll take a short. If we close above it, maybe we'll take a short.
It's just not enough meat on the bone for me. I don't really see any clear draws of liquidity.
Above or below?
Both. Well,
I mean, there's nothing like
above. I see draws, but below I do not see a draw. I mean, I do. Obvious draw is that
you have relative equal lows at 410, 415. You have this hourly, or you have a bunch of like hourly right here.
Yeah, I mean, a post, right? At 400s, yeah, that's clear. But do we get continuation here? I mean, after this flat VWAP, I don't know, dude. My experience is kicking in here.
Erkan.
Yeah, exactly. Erkan.
On
premium account is required. You gotta just like keep repeating it in your sleep, and then you'll remember. Okay.
Oh, you're out here. You're streaming too. Wait,
I am? Yeah. No, it says I need a premium account. It is required to create a
Notifications from Erkan. Ready to go live? I'm going to click go live and see what happens. An error occurred with your guest destination. We informed them to fix it.
Yeah, they told me to pay for premium.
Oh, just do the 7-day trial.
Oh yeah.
We can do that later. Like, or we look into the OBS or one of the other ones and see what they're all about. I think the quality on StreamYard is not as great as OBS, and if we ever wanted to clip our stuff, then we might have to switch over anyways.
To OBS.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna share your screen for a second so I can do some stuff.
Okay. So yeah, guys, we're getting in this opening range low day break. So we swept the liquidity, right? We're sweeping the liquidity from the opening range low. Can you mute? Yeah, just mute yourself there. I think, yeah.
I did. I'm sorry.
So yeah, we're sweeping the low of this opening range low from the open. And I wouldn't be surprised if we take New York and rock it up. You heard it here first, chat. You heard it here first.
Go to your go to the private chat. Hold on, give me a second. I'm gonna type something.
Okay. No. Stop.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Look at don't switch my screen over, but you can see the thing down at the bottom.
Oh my god.
But that's actually like kind of hilarious.
Hilarious. Karma is
hilarious.
There's karma. Yeah, so again, this is what you were looking for. You were looking for that opening range low break and then the retest in New York. Are you gonna take it, Abby? And where would your stop be?
Oh, sorry. Attention. See, that's not a good break in New York for me.
Yeah, that's trash.
Trash.
This whole session is trashola. But I'm kind of interested in longing down here. I'm kind of interested.
Let's see if we get that break.
Well, seeing now I'm psychic, we will get it for sure.
Mohammed, you're the best. Thank you so much. I love that you're like right here supporting. I see your comments too. I appreciate that.
Yeah, we appreciate it. Mohammed, where are you from, brother? Salam alaikum.
Where's everybody from? I think we got a big mix of people all over.
Yeah, definitely. We got some people from US, got some people from India, some people from Canada.
What are the most common names in India?
In India? Patel.
What's the last name? Sri Lanka.
Jode. I've been there 4 times. Did I tell you that?
No.
Yeah, I went there 4 times.
Sri Lanka?
No, to India. Different parts of India I went to. And I did the whole spiritual bro thing.
Oh.
Yeah.
Portugal, Romania. What do you think about the I won't say his name, but what do we think about the one guy that just got indicted again?
I don't know. What are you talking about?
Well, I said today I'm in the green. You haven't taken anything today. I trade CFDs. All right, listen.
Valar, you show the markup.
Stop trading as of this very moment. so you stay in the green.
Kenya. Wow.
Thrive in ranging markets. Yeah,
Elon.
I also thrive in ranging markets because when I start seeing that it's ranging, I start trading the range. But on a new funded account, I'm not gonna no, not gonna play with
No, this is not A+ territory here.
Kenya. Love it.
Free talk.
What is that?
He's just an influencer. He got in prison.
Oh.
I'm from many country marijuana. What? Oh, Mauritania and Saudi Arabia. Wow. Dubai is dope. I went to Dubai airport. Oh my god, so sick.
Speaking of Dubai, we have to have my my Dubai husband on. His whole chat like spams me every once in a while, and it's funny.
Oh, you guys had a thing or what?
No, he just like people just said that we should get married and date. Daniel, his name is Daniel.
Because you're both blonde.
Yeah, actually, yeah.
No, he's cool. He's cool. They have a thing. I think they have a thing. Ooh. Might be jealous. So we have an inversion gap here on the 1 minute.
Yep. Yep, and y'all said I was crazy. I could have shorted that from New York.
Erkan got it. Abby missed.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Oh, watch this. Hold on. YouTube.com/ let's see. Okay, I have 474 subscribers on YouTube, and I feel like we should make that a rounded number as well. If we could get 26 people, then I would be at 500 with both, and that's pretty magical. Okay, let's see. Yeah.
What's that?
I was just chatting with Daniel real quick. I told him to come on stream like at some point, but he has to fix his Wi-Fi because every time he gets on stream, like it takes 5 hours to get him to be able to be on and stream and whatever. And so yeah. All right, what do we got? What can we do? We have another gap sitting right up here. I don't know. These little chop days, they scare me.
Yeah, the SpaceX IPO is just a freaking pump and dump.
Valar said he should have flew you out. Yes, I know. Wait, did you get a trade?
No.
Oh, okay, somebody said he got a trade and Abby missed it. I was like, no. Elon SpaceX hits IPO low under 115 now. That's good. Kathy, is that her name? Kathy Woods. She's saying that it's going to be like one of the most valued things that you could potentially ever buy in the future. Like it's going to go up a ton. And I get it, but at the same time, I'm like, I don't know. I think we need to see So I think one of the planets is like coming around in rotation right now, and it's getting close enough where if they send a rocket out, they could like land on it. And I think if that happens, then SpaceX will definitely pump. But I don't really know. We'll see.
Yeah. Too much hype around it.
Cats or dogs? What do you like most? Erkan?
Cats.
Erkan?
Cats.
Cats. I have a cat, so if I don't say I like cats most, she might come for me.
She might claw you in your sleep.
Yeah. She's been like not wanting to sleep.
I like dogs too. I like all animals. I'm an animal guy.
We're up like 5-10 viewers on YouTube since we were yesterday. Thank you guys for being here with us. I don't know if you're new or not, but if you're new, drop a comment. Let us know you're here, and stay tuned for the giveaway. And
yeah.
Oh, and drop a like if you want, if you appreciate us. Haha. Wait, somebody just said that I'm at 484. There's no way. All right, we'll check it in a minute. Dogs. Poor dogs. I love dogs too. Wait,
Yeah.
I have kind of have a dog. I'll be right back.
Which car you like the most?
Yeah, no.
Probably Aston Martin.
Yes, that's my car.
That's your car too?
Should we 2027 Aston Martin?
Yeah, let's do it.
Which one?
Let's look it up.
Yeah,
Pull it up. Let's manifest it, Abby. This is how it works.
Oh la la.
Okay.
All right. First off, thank you. Get out of here. Thank you. That's not bad. That's not bad. Why did I think they were more expensive?
It's a few payouts, you know.
That's literally a few payouts. Bro, that is what? $250. Why did I think these were like way more expensive?
Those are hard. Oh my god, that's sick. That one.
I low-key would stunt in one of these.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I like to travel and I like to have stuff and all my sports.
Oh, okay.
In my car.
I feel you. Oh, we could have two. You could have that one.
Nice cars over here. That front plate looks gross. I don't like that front plate. I like the front plate, honestly, like on the car. Looks sick right here. Would you convertible or regular?
Depends on. I mean, the convertibles are kind of nice because I've been inside one and it's kind of cramped.
They are cramped. It's like a 2-seater.
Yeah.
I had a what is that called? A M4 or something. Had a white red interior convertible. Yeah. The only thing I didn't like about it was a soft top, and I wanted a hard top because I didn't want it to look like a convertible because then it has the black and it was just... What is this mystery one? Photo coming soon. DB12. Realistically, yeah. I think the other one that I like a lot is the Lambo trucks.
The Lamb trucks, huh? You like those?
I do. Like, they're slick. Like, look at that. That's so sexy. And they sound really good.
Yeah.
They do look nice. I would prefer that over an Aston Martin. Yeah, they're like the same price, so.
I want a Lambo so bad.
I would never drive the car, but I would definitely drive this. Look how smooth that looks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah. All right, back to trading. Back to doing what's going to get us there.
Oh, yeah, exactly. Well, I mean, could have scalped that inversion, right? But
I've driven a G-Wagon. They're cool. Like, they're cool. Don't get me wrong. You feel like you're driving a tank. But I would still choose a Lambo truck. The other ones are just big, boxy cars, literally.
Yeah.
Where it longs are.
McLaren over Lambo. Okay. I'm with you there. I'm with you there. L Wizard.
James from Louisiana. Not new here, dropping in and out. New to trading. Nice.
We gotta get JP.
Stay with us. We'll make you profitable. Both of us we passed accounts, got funded, capped our payouts.
Took a payout today.
That's what I was trying to say. I can't speak English.
She's Chinese, everyone. So it's her second language.
Tee. The data center is finished. Yeah, I agree. All right. Okay. I think this will just climbing down. Yeah. It'll just keep slow rolling until.
Yeah. What do you see there? I mean, like
it's just gonna blah blah blah until the New York VWAP gets into this little area, and then it's come back up, and then we can get short. That's my idea. Have you ever noticed how price will just keep moving until like a VWAP lines up with a fair value gap?
Say that again.
Price will usually just keep moving or chopping around until a VWAP aligns with a fair value gap.
On the 1 minute?
No.
Oh, just
in general.
Just in general. I never observed that.
Never.
Never.
Never.
This thing is dumping, chat.
Looks great.
So I'm up on the day from overnight. I'm up 1,000 plus. What else am I? 1,000, 1,500 plus 850. What's 850 plus 1,500?
2350.
2350. So we're up 2350 since Asian session.
You trusted that? I don't know if that's true.
I always trust.
2350. What was it? 800 plus?
Yeah, you were right. 2350.
Nice. Got that quick math. Oh my goodness. Okay. Be looking for.
Is there any comments on? Is there any comments on the X?
You'll see them pop into the group, guys. If you're watching from X, I see 15 of you. If you're watching from X, drop a comment so that Erkan can see where it. Erkan, Jesus, can see where it is. I have to correct myself, or I'm never gonna get it. Can I just call you Air?
No, don't do that.
Can I just call you Con?
You call me. Oh, I was gonna say something, but
EK.
Never mind.
Hey, how about I just call you EK?
No.
It is a cool name.
Thank you. It means brave man, fearless man. Someone with noble blood.
I think mine means waterfall.
And you don't drink water.
True. I don't need to. I'm a freaking waterfall.
You're just old.
Have you seen Big Mouth? Big Mouth?
No.
No.
Big Mouth it's called? What is that?
Big Mouth, yeah, it's on Netflix.
No.
I sounded like that blonde chick. Oh my god. Today's a day. Why am I so tired? I slept more last night than I ever sleep. It's so nice outside.
Really? I want to want to come out there maybe next week just to catch the beach vibe.
Pull up.
For sure. Looks like we want that wick. What are you laughing at like so snickerly? What was that?
That one I can't say on stream, but my roommate sent me something and it's funny. It was funny.
Oh, am I not allowed? Am I not allowed either?
I literally can't. But do you guys want to meet my roommate?
Yes.
Let me see if she'll come. Let me see if she'll come say hi. Come on, Market. Beat us.
Yeah, so it looks like we're coming for that low at the 400s, like you were talking about, huh, Abby? But
Yeah.
we're just too far extended for me. Too far extended for me.
Like if we zoom out.
And anytime I front run a target like that, I got smoked. So we always look for pullbacks. We trade our plan, not the markets.
Yeah, looking at here, there's also another to the left, but looking right there, that is a spot that we could go.
See, I think my bot just profited. Let me see how much profit my bot did.
Your bot?
It botted out today. Let's see. Fuck. Let's go, bot.
Is the bot botting?
The bot is botting. I almost passed this account. I have another 800 to go.
Not bad, fam.
Yeah. If you want me to tap you in, I could tap you in.
Yeah.
Ain't nothing like a little bit of free bread.
Yeah, you said something about something like yeah.
I remember I talked about that. But I don't know. Manual trading, we do a lot better.
Is it a cash account or something else?
No, it's a Lucid. It's a Lucid account.
Not bad.
Yeah, they allow, and you gotta make sure that the firm allows for EAs or bots.
Mm-hmm.
I know Top Step allows it.
I do. I know that. You have to pay though. You have to pay extra to get like an API or something.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Okay. Well. I just marked out this little 5-minute gap that we have to our left next to this relative equal lows. Pero we tapped in and we're pulling back a little bit. I would like to see price come back up to this VWAP and this little 1 minute. I'd like to see them align. And then I could be keen on taking a short down to the lows, which would look something like, see, pop, we'll give it like that much room, something like that, or like even down further. We just have to see how price wants to react there. But something like that would be good. So we be patient. We sit on our hands. I know you guys love to blow your accounts up, but there's no reason to. Erkan said, how do you find the courage of trusting? So trusting a bot, you back test it. You can actually, here, I'll show you. I think I started coding. Hold on. I have to itch my eye. Very itchy. Very itchy. You can actually go through and you turn on your paper trade, right? And you can back test. You can back test it. Let me see how you do that. Brain. So there's like a connection thing that you connect it to. Ejected. You backtest it against as much as you want, really. I can't remember how to do it, but YouTube it. So you basically code it, and then you're able to Python. That's what it is. So you can code it with Python, and then you basically back test it, see if it works, and if there's something messed up or it's like doing something wrong, you go in and you fix the code. And you can do this with like Claude, ChatGPT. So you don't need to actually know how to code. It's pretty simple. I did it once. I made like the whole VWAP thing. There was just one part that I couldn't get past, and I had to call my friend who was actually like codes for a living to try to get it set up. Yeah, I heard the same thing.
So
They have some-
the way, yeah, Abby, yeah, you're totally right. You know, you backtest your strategy, and then you get confidence in it. So it has a
Yeah.
positive expectancy.
And you can backtest it in here. Like,
Yeah.
you don't have to. I can't remember how to pull up the coding thing. Do you know how to do that?
Yeah, I'll show you on my screen. In my let me present.
Yeah, is it Python? Here. Oh, you're not presenting, but when you are.
Oh, here I am now. So yeah, like something like this. This is one of the bots that I'm running. So you can see like the performance stats on it.
Can you zoom in to your screen, or is that possible or no? No, it's fine. Let me just open my screen. Okay. Yeah.
Something like that, yeah.
Trade station.
Yeah, so like if you were to have like if you were to have run this from August 31st, 2025 to July 23rd, 2026 for a year, it would have a positive expectancy. This would be the equity curve of the backtesting of the bot. So pretty cool.
Yeah, but like I can't remember how you actually set that up.
Yeah, like right now, like it took a short, I think that's what it did for me earlier. Yeah, like it shorted here, and I think it's trailing. I think it shorted here. No, it shorted here, and then I think it's trailing it. I think it's trailing profit right now. Oh, it shorted here. It shorted right here. I'm sorry, and it's trailing. And then it shorted here. Oh, this is where I made the big bank. See, it shorted here, and then closed here. Pretty fire, huh?
Yeah, sorry. Still looking for it. Still looking for it because I did the whole thing like before I was ever profitable. I was like, let me just code a bot and thing. I went into chat and I went back and forth with chat until I got stuck. And then I really just wanted to code an indicator so I didn't have to set it up every single day. But then I learned that you could code the bots. So I started trying to do that and explain it to the bot, or to explain the bot functions in the chat GPT to create the bot, but it was a headache. This was like long before Claude was a thing. So I don't know.
Yeah, Claude is pretty cool.
Dang, homies. We're up to 45 people. Let's go. Also,
on YouTube?
23 on YouTube, 21 on X.
Cool.
1 from yours. Who's tuning in from Erkan's right now? Who's our like steady supporter over here? $500 subs. No way. Are you kidding? Are you joking? You guys did it. They did it. They put 500 subscribers. Yay. Thank you guys.
Osman. Oh, Osman. My boy Osman.
That's so sick.
He's Turkish too.
Now let's see how many likes we can get on this vid.
Yeah, just dump in here.
Yeah, I'm looking for now that we've come down to this low, we're like 50% of this 5-minute gap. I would like to see it pull back, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and scalp. And
Okay.
I will pull my screen up in a second. I'll show you why. Let's see where we're at here. We got 22 viewers from YouTube, 26 likes. You guys are freaking awesome. You're so awesome. Okay, cool. Building these streams from the ground up really is a lot of work, and it does take consistency. Yeah. And we, like,
we're committed.
I love to see it. Thank you guys. Okay. We're gonna go in here. Not there. Okay, so this is my idea. We're clearly going to close below this 5-minute, but then we have that relative equal lows are right down here. So once we close,
which price is the equal lows?
Like 413, 4.
Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah.
So once we get a closure below this gap, we have nothing until this gap, which tells me that we have to go to this gap. But this is also two different confluences. We have the gaps that start here. There's a couple gaps, by the way. They're all hourly. So I didn't mark them out individually. I just marked it out as one big gap. So once we get down to this area, like, I'm kind of hoping that we can, let me see where this wants to go up to. Wherever it wants to go back up to. I'm just looking for some general pullback, and then to get in short. We don't have any fair value gaps or anything right now, but to get in short and kind of play this move, playing from one gap to the next gap, because this is a stronger magnet having the relative equal lows as well. So that's kind of what I'm going to be waiting on, and what I'm going to be waiting on. Yeah, we don't have much more. I guess there we have a 15-minute above.
Okay.
Right here. So if we could play back up into this 15-minute gap, and then a closure below there. Like, what I'd love to see, closure below there, and then we come up and engage that minute.
Okay, yeah, opening range low, and probably New York at the time, right?
It's not quite up there, but there is another gap, like, that's there.
Yeah, right there on the 15, right?
Yes. So, like, realistically, 15 minutes are a stronger draw than a minute. This up here is a minute draw, whereas the New York is at right now. So if we get like a closure below here, I would say that the New York needs to come down further. Maybe we'll get a draw back up into this 15-minute, and then we can get short from there. We'll see. Patience.
No FOMO, guys. No FOMO. Do not chase.
This actually could be a really good trade and like cash out. So we got to be patient, friends. I'm actually going to remove this minute gap because it's just unnecessary at this moment. New York's in it. I want to see more down here, and then I want to see this New York come down. And that would technically still be putting in like a lower high. So
I like it.
I like it. La la la la. I think I want to go on a 5-mile hike today.
That's dope.
Should I do it? Oh no,
Do
my
you put on music? Do you put on music, or do you like? What do you do?
No. No, I like to be
Raw
in nature.
dog?
Nature, raw dog. I like to raw dog my hikes.
I I was thinking about that today. I was like, I really need some nature time, because out here it's you have a very small window of outside time in the summertime because it's just so hot.
Yeah, your mornings are pretty much it. Mornings and like evening when the sun's already set.
Yeah,
Then it gets
exactly.
cold, right?
Yeah, I mean, in the summertime, it's still 100 degrees at nighttime.
That's crazy.
Yeah. But it's dry, so it feels good. You know, I like dry.
I mean, it's dry here too.
Yeah. I want to move to the beach so bad.
You you should, but you should wait until winter. After like November. Because during like after like late October, they start lowering the rent and putting like 6-8 weeks off of your rent. So instead of paying like 3,000 or something for a place, it'll be like 2,500 for the year.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good to
So-
know. Thank you.
Yeah.
Awesome.
In case anybody's trying to relocate from India or Sri Lanka, wait till winter.
Pay $3,000 in rent over there, probably freaking mad cheap.
All right, it's
Yeah,
8:12.
I would love a pullback, you know. I'm not going to front run the target. Everyone and their mom sees this low here at the 400s. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to front run that. We wait for our play.
Now, do I want to put like 20 contracts on? And yes, but
If you were in eval mode, you probably would have.
yeah, I definitely would have. Well,
we're gonna get another one. We're gonna get another. I don't know when you're gonna do it, but I'll probably plan for it on Monday. Get another one.
an eval? Yeah. Let's grab some evals on Monday. So, you know what? I should also get a business credit card. Sorry. So I
need that too.
I should have known. Like, first off,
Well,
we broke this wedge to the downside, which was an indication that we were going lower, right? And then we got this strong bar up, which was the fake out. Okay. I should have when I should have taken this, but I was like talking about whatever, and that would have just it's right down to my drawdown here. Like that would have been a great trade.
To be fair, you were talking about it. You wanted to take it. I kind of I don't know if I influenced you or not, but
no, I was on X talking about my subscribers, so
oh yeah,
I did that to myself. But that would have been a great trade. Like we called out that it broke one side. That was it. That was the, then the fake out candle back up to the New York. It would have been a fantastic trade. Like, ooh, la la.
For me, it was just too far extended on the move. Like to see all this continuation. This is an outlier day. You know, you don't see this.
Sorry.
You don't see this typically.
Yeah. I mean, we accumulated this entire start of the day. Just built liquidity to slowly grind down.
Mohammed, I know about Isha.
Trade in weights. Yes, my guy trails.
You do you do like meditation or anything like that?
Me?
Yeah.
Every day in some form, like this morning.
Talk to me. Talk to me.
If I wake up naturally without my alarm, I like feel like my cortisol is not as high. When I wake up with my alarm, you wake up startled. Your cortisol's high. You're in high alert. So I'll set like a 5-10 minute, like just snooze it because I think it's on 9 minutes, and then I'll do breath meditation. Just breathe in and breathe out and breathe in and breathe out and try to relax my body every time I breathe out. And I do that specifically for the fact that like my cortisol is high when my alarm goes off. So I try to do
like a little something there. That's cool.
And I think like everything's kind of a form of meditation as well. Like reading
Yeah.
affirmations is a type of meditation. When I'm driving, I'm zoning, it's meditation. You're just locked in
Yeah.
thought.
Yeah. And the hikes that you do are pretty meditative, I would say, right?
Yeah, I raw dog my car driving. I raw dog my
Dude, I do too.
but I do actually
Raw
do
dog.
real meditation just if I feel
Yeah.
like I was
That's
doing
awesome.
it in the morning, but now I've been a little bit less because I don't feel as stressed.
You give me the vibe that you are pretty in tune with your spirituality.
With my body. My mind's telling me no, but my body. It's vitamin time.
What do you take?
What do I take?
Tell the chat. Yeah, guys, we'll talk about supplements right now.
Yeah, let's talk about supplements. We're health people. Let's lean into that.
Health freaks.
DHEA 100 helps lower the cortisol. As a day trader, you need to lower the cortisol. Lipoic acid. This is for my nerve function because my nerves were shot and I ended up in the hospital. Both of these, B12 and D3, both high absorbing. They're liquids made out of olive oil, so they're good. They're healthy. I take those also for nerve function. I take a B vitamin because it is a complex, also helps with nerve function. And if you're on peptides, you should be taking B vitamins because B vitamins are essential. Thiamine, right? Thiamine is the one that's most important when you're taking something like Retta.
Wait, which one? What's
Thiamine?
the thiamine?
Thiamine, yeah. If you're not taking that, you're already B1 deficient. Most people are. And if you're not taking thiamine, B complex is good too because it has it in there. It has the other one that you need as well. You need B12 and you need B1. Thiamine. So you can actually end up in the hospital if you don't.
It's super B complex.
Every night I take my
What?
glycinate.
Magnesium glycinate? Yeah, same.
Yes. So, don't mind us. We're just gonna. Yeah, we'll do it. We'll do our giveaway today. Don't worry. Fly high.
What other assets you traded? Okay, so I spent a solid year on just ES prior to trading NASDAQ. And before that, I traded, Forex and all different pairs like, Great British Pound, all that gold, all that stuff. So, I kind of had the training wheels, if you will, for the NASDAQ. Some people can't handle it. It's too volatile. So, yeah. I stick to NQ because it follows my strategies and my just my visually I can, and just the way the moves happen. I don't know. It's a very popular asset, so you could ask anyone else why they trade it. It's probably the same reason. We are going to be doing a giveaway today, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is that a breath spray?
Mm-mm.
I'm obsessed with breath spray.
It's not. It's a Ooh.
I use peppermint breath spray all the time.
Vitamins. Swear. I'm on magnesium.
Steroids.
I have 2 magnesiums depending on vibe.
There's a magnesium. Okay, yeah, I heard about that one. You take it during the day?
You can. It doesn't make you tired. Like that's a myth, but I take them at night mostly because it does relax your body. And as I'm laying in bed, if I close my eyes, like I can feel myself melt away after taking them. So I take them at night. Is there any possibility you as a person in live, possibly that we can, you as a person in live. What? Like meet you? Maybe one day. Maybe one day Erkan and I will host a meetup.
Yeah.
Or we'll do an event, a live trading event. We'll go to
Yeah.
India. Because Fly High, remember you
100%.
said you're from India, right? We'll do a
Yeah,
eat,
we'll do
love,
it.
trade.
You love trade.
I'm coining that.
Coin it. Coin it.
Love trade. All right. I'm going to quickly see if we've put any more. Yeah, we have a little gap right there. Okay, guys, I might get short. Maybe I'm going to get short just one because it could go against me. And I'm going to tell you why. We have a 5-minute gap. It's after 10 a.m. Eastern. We're rejecting it. Both charts are going top to bottom. This is a teammate trade. All right. Teammate trade.
Teammate Alex.
Teammate Alex. Yeah. The only thing that I didn't do and I need to do is I need to measure this out real quick. So we're going to high to low. Okay. So like I could see how this may not work out. Okay. Maybe. We'll see. If we close above this gap, I will close it. But that was a really oh yeah, look at that. Look at that.
Look at you.
She running. Big bar energy. So I'm gonna try to explain this the best way that I can. But teammate Alex has a trade thing that when there's like after 10 a.m. Eastern time, there's a 5-minute gap. We're looking for the 5 minute to get retested. It did right here in this little area. If you see it's rejected, that's the energy we like. So let's see it through. I got in like pretty late, but we're gonna see it through. I think he would like scalp though, like and get out pretty quickly.
He is a very fast scalper.
Yeah. I wonder if I should have already taken profit. Who knows?
Is that a mini?
No. No, I'm silly. This is my account, okay? This is my brand new account. Never would I ever. I kind of feel like he would have taken it at like 10 points, so I should have taken it when it's like 120 bucks. All right, whatever. Too quick.
No worries.
Trades.
Yeah, it's just less probable to I mean, for me, it's just too low.
I feel like there was
Everyone-
like a 35% thing. Like it's supposed to be at 35%. Yes, Alex, who streams Lunchbox on PFM.
Yes, teammate Alex. He's our boy.
Team
We'll have him on. We'll get him on.
Yeah, poor guy. I had him on E8 stream,
Yeah.
and he like streams and then streams somewhere else and then streams somewhere else. Yeah, just like all day.
There's my lights better now. Now I'm illuminated.
So if we look at the 15-minute, if we do not take this draw, the New York is getting to this 15-minute. So I'd love to see this like pull back so we can get short in there.
Yeah,
But
I
if
agree.
it's first, that kind of screws the whole concept because then where are we going? You know, it's less of
Yeah.
a strong indication that we're going lower. Like we could for sure.
I want like, 670s. Like what we're talking about, right? 670s is that gap?
Six,
You're talking
70.
670s? 28,
Oh, up
670.
Yeah.
That's where you want price?
Yeah.
All right, I'm
And
with you there.
Your 50% thing pretty much, right?
Yeah, I'm with you there. I am with you there. I see what you're saying. I smell what you're cooking. I like that. Yeah, he is a good entertainer. Maybe we could get, I don't know, Zach would be very to get on.
Yeah, Zach and I talked about like getting him on EA, but
Yeah.
streams the whole time, you know?
Yeah.
So the only way he could is if he had somebody cover for him for like 15, 30 minutes.
Right.
We'll figure it out at some point, but let's get my candlesticks. Do, do, do, do. What colors are we filling? That's ugly. That's ugly too. Does anybody else like muting their... Oh, wait. Does anybody else like muting their candle colors?
Yeah, I used to do that. Makes it like transparent.
Yeah, like not just like not want to look at.
Someone's like, lock out Abby. They don't want you trading.
Why?
Nah, we're good. We're not on tilt at all.
No, I'm so good.
So good.
Oh, you guys are just watching me change my colors. I'm sorry. I do look like I'm spazzing out right now. Come on. We show like a rejection from this little area.
Yeah, I don't know what happened to Alpha Futures, to be honest. I think they just do you know anything about that, Abby?
Yeah. There's a lot of stuff online about them not paying people out, removing if people were eligible for payouts, they weren't paying them out. They were just refunding them for the account. A lot of different stuff online. If you want to like go on X and just look up Alpha Futures, you'll see people's stories and stuff. I don't know. They lost their partnership with like Trade-Avate. I know that they were working on a new platform that was their own, but I don't know if they ever ended up executing launching the platform. I don't know anything really. I have to cough. Yeah. LOL. Funny
Be honest.
No.
Okay, good.
No. I got like
Sounds like it.
weird respiratory sickness that everybody was getting like 4 or 5 weeks ago. So I just have not been able to get the coughing to go away. If anybody's got any holistic tips. All right, come on. Get us up there. Like I could also see if it wanted to take this draw and then come back up to this gap and then come here and put in a higher low and start heading up for the day. I could see that being a possibility.
Yeah, like I would take it to 50% of this of that range, and yeah, I agree.
50% would actually be here in this gap. So it could make sense if we just go lower, bring the VWAP down as well into this gap. And that also aligns with the 50%. So yeah, an inversion trade would be sick. Would be thick.
Guys, who else does it like us? 2 hours on the stream. Who else is gonna be here with you? Put it up. 2 hours.
I mean, I did 2 hours every day on my stream, but it's fine. Sometimes 2.5.
Yeah, I need to build a tolerance.
I mean, you're going to be, most people are sitting here anyways. If you didn't trade last night, you'd be sitting here anyways.
True.
My toxic
my voice
is short right now.
Nah, don't front run this target. It will smoke you.
Now, like a little momentum scalp into the target.
If whatever your intuition feels, whatever
Who said intuition? I said toxic trait. Like,
well, we want to steer away from that shit as much as possible.
Look, but we are like picking up a little volume here. Imagine now it wants to like skyrocket back into these gaps because this New York is like right here. That'd be crazy. All right, who in the chat can tell me without looking it up? 30 seconds. You got 30 seconds to answer the question. What is a break of structure? I'm counting. I feel like they're all Googling it. I like that. I like that. Yep. Yep. Yep. Yep. Yes. Yes.
Good job.
Yes. Not new, but like breaking the old. Yes. Yes. Love it. Yeah, let's run some questions while we sit here and wait.
Yeah, absolutely.
What is an inversion fair value gap?
Yeah, guys, you guys want some education? Let us know.
Actually, here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pull up my chart.
Okay.
And you guys are gonna tell me. At what price does a candle have to close above right now to give us an inversion fair value gap? Tell me the price.
The time frame. You got to know the time frame.
15. I mean, I'm showing it on my screen, so that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, 15 minutes. What prices? What do we have to do in order to get an inversion? What do we have to see? What price do we have to close above? Good questions.
Said, man, I don't know this. I'll tell you in a second, but I'll give you a chat like 30 seconds. Above 28,578. 5,757.
Correcto.
Correct. Yes. And why is that? I'll show you right now. So for every consecutive candle, we create space in between.
It's an imbalance.
Oh, we need to do it like this. All right. For every consecutive candle, like we have a 1, 2, 3 candle, and there creates space in between the candles. It's between the wicks right here. That is a fair value gap. So once this candle comes up and closes above it, we have inversed the fair value gap. Another one would be this area here, where we are 1, 2, 3 candles, and we're between the wick of candle 1 and the wick of candle 3. We created a space here, so we would need to see a closure above that space to make it an inversion. Same thing here. So we have consecutive 1, 2, 3 candles. and wick of candle 1 and 3. There's a space. Bebop, boppity bop. Okay. What price do we need to close above for there to be an engulfing candle? Is that the right way to ask that question? I think so.
Kind of a little bit more specific. So, like right now in the 15-minute?
Yeah.
It's the same thing. Same answer.
25,571. 5, 7, 5, 7, 1. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, a lot of people they don't have the data for what we're talking about. Sometimes they're doing a CFD contract, so they the prices are different.
I'm putting it's on the screen. So I'm like, they could just look at my screen.
Okay.
They could just look here. But like if we get a closure above like 79, there's a little scalp from 79 to thing.
So is that on the 15 or what?
Well, it could be on any time frame, but the gaps that we marked out, we get a closure above the gaps, which is here, what we were talking about earlier.
Mm-hmm.
And then we get a little pullback, and then we want to tap into the next one. It's a nice little scalp. I like to trade in between fair value gaps. As long as there's enough space in between them, you can get a nice scalp out of it.
I agree, yes.
For draws.
We can look for that.
Mm-hmm.
We can look for that. You feeling it?
I'm feeling it.
Okay, get some action here.
Antsy. We're not creating any 1 minutes on the way up here. Let's see, we got 5 minutes.
Yeah, we could throw a micro on, you know what I'm saying? But I'd like to see a little bit more structure forming here. A little bit more structure forming would be nice. Break of structure, right? That's what we're looking for. Break of structure.
I'll be right back.
Cool. Guys, I'll be right back too. Be right back.
Where did he go? You really out here leaving you guys by yourself? Watch this. Come here. Come here. Come here. Here. Ready? Here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Sit.
Oh, look at this.
Ew.
Look at this.
Ow.
Whose dog is that? Their roommate?
Yeah, there's a dog in my house. He's a wolf.
That's sick.
Not really. That's ridiculous. I wouldn't continue letting him in there. I know.
Because he's gonna
Only once.
right
Only
there.
once. I know.
What's up, roommate?
Chat says, "What's up, roommate? Come say hi." Yeah, come say hi. I look like shit too. Angel.
Angel. My boy. My boy.
Then my roommate. Wait. Come say hi.
On stream. Great.
Hey.
That's exactly what I said no to. Hello.
Hey, what's up?
Nothing much. How are you?
This is breakfast right here.
Did you make her breakfast?
No, there's literally a piece of bread. I'm just spiking my insulin real quick. Chat, say hi to my roommate.
Oh, jeez.
Her name is Kirsten.
Kirsten.
Hello.
No, we're losing viewers. Get out.
Yeah,
I'm just
seriously.
kidding. I'm kidding.
With how I look, I'll say so.
No, you
Come
look
on.
good. Angel wants me to tell you that I have a friend called Angel.
Is he an angel?
He is an angel.
Perfect.
He is.
Somebody wants me to tell you that you're beautiful.
Thank you.
Somebody said, "Loud Jesus."
What was that?
Loud Jesus. Lord Jesus. Somebody else said, "Damn, she fine." I love how she walks in and people just immediately lose the amount of respect that we get as streamers. I feel like we actually get like a lot of respect. And then all the dogs come out. Angel, no, you're not. What are you talking about?
Angel, that's funny.
I'm telling your girlfriend. I cannot believe this is like what I'm eating right now, but I needed something in my stomach with the vitamins.
I'm still fasted. I usually don't eat till about like 12.
I don't either, but I'd be fine if I took vitamins without the Red Bull, but it was doing some science experiment in my stomach, so.
Really? That's what Trump said? Looking to get a very big attack. Oh my god, dude.
What did he say?
I'm sick of his shit. So he's gonna be attacking. Wants to be attacking. Ridiculous, man. We don't need to be war. You know what I'm saying? It's like, why?
Considering a massive attack larger than anything that's been done before, I am close to making a decision. That was like 15 minutes ago. What a goon.
Annoying. Goon sauce. Oil's fucking going so bullish.
That's interesting.
That's why we drive Teslas.
You drive one too.
Yeah.
I love my Tesla. Yesterday I was driving to go
You have a
diving.
You have a 3 or a Y?
I have a Y. I was driving to go diving and I needed hair conditioner. So I'm stopping in all of the gas stations looking for like that really cheap brand of hair conditioner because I'm basically gonna like mix it with 3 parts water like thing to like put on your body. So I'm stopping at these gas stations and I see somebody pull in to like get gas and I'm just thinking, what a miserable life. Getting gas.
I know.
Like it's such peasantry.
Peasantry. Yeah, it's definitely
Kirsten.
peasantry.
It's peasantry. Like y'all have to get out of your car and pump the gas. I get to plug my car in, sit in it in the AC, nice and cool, get some work done on my laptop, and then sleep.
Exactly.
Federal Reserve now projected to raise interest rates twice this year.
Fundamental
Lovely.
play. What do you take on that fundamental play? Gold, oil, the indices. How do you translate that, Mohammed?
Higher interest rates. Sorry, hold on. Higher interest rates creates less volume, I feel like, in the markets because people are going to be putting it in like bonds and yields and stuff like that because they get not bonds and yields, but bonds because they get higher yields. Right?
Probably. What would you do if you could see the future? I already can.
Bro, if I
You
could
don't
see
even-
the future, I would full court whatever. Come on now.
I'm like basically there. You know what I'm saying? I'm like pretty tapped in. Not gonna lie.
I mean,
Pretty
based on
tapped
my
in.
previous analysis on the chart, I'd say I can see the future pretty well. Like, I called this move, like, I called this move right here. Like, why was I not in it? I don't know. Because I was messing around on Twitter. I'd say that's pretty much
That's what I'm saying, Angel, bro. Like, fuck, I try to, you know what I'm saying?
Kirsten, they want to know your at. Yeah, I can see that too. Right now, we're kind of looking for something that I'm kind of looking for something that kind of delivers it way back up here or here, and then to get short and pick up that little relative equal low and that start of the gaps.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we have a pull up here just to mess with people that are front running that.
What is PWL? Previous
week's low.
week's low. Yeah. This is previous week's low as well.
Do you have another song there, Abby?
Yeah, are you mad at the song?
No, just been playing it for
2 hours.
been listening for 2 hours.
It has been. It's been a solid 2 hours of the same song. I'm surprised this is just the first time that it's getting talked about. I don't know which one. This one?
We have to make a yeah, we should make a song, Erkan and Abby song.
I like the idea. I could do it.
Yeah, make it happen.
I gotta see if I have credits on there still, but
Angel, what did you take? Send a markup in the chat, brother. I want to see what you traded today, my man. I want to see what you're doing.
ma'am, what are you doing? Photobomb.
Your cat is so gorgeous.
Do you guys want to look at her?
You took a silver short? You animal. You dog, you.
Angel, if you were a G after you got off stream, you would send people to my stream. That would be some real G shit.
Ooh.
Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh. Do you guys ever just want to squeeze? Just squeeze. I love this little thing.
I can't. Too much dopamine in my brain right now.
No, you're not me. She's stuck.
Meow.
I love this little baby.
There's a movie from the 90s called Homeward Bound.
Yeah, I remember that one.
Nice.
She looks like the
I
cat.
watched that movie so many times.
You know what's really funny? That was one of my favorite movies. Favorite. I named my
growing
first cat after that cat.
What was that guy? Shadow? There was Shadow. There was.
I never like remembered that until you just said it.
I know, right?
Insane. Come on, give me this freaking trade. Market, do something. Because I gotta go for this appointment at 10. So if we're still streaming at 10.
That's crazy. Yeah, I would like to get to the gym around that time too. So we'll see. We'll hang out. See what's good.
Yeah, if you're here with us, Angel, go ahead and like the stream.
Yeah, she's a cool kitty for sure.
Oh la la. We sitting at like 56. That's our record.
Let's go. It's just gonna keep growing.
56 in the third day. Like, who are we? That's crazy. And I don't even have subscribers. I didn't start with any subscribers. Like, crazy.
Yeah, we're gonna blow up. It's gonna go insane bananas.
The lid's gonna pop off.
I can just see it. I can see the future. Remember, guys. So
I can just see it now.
it's gonna like just magic, magic, magic, magic, magic, magic, magic.
Your toes predict your early death. I don't know why this just popped up, but oh no.
What?
Oh no, guys, spread your toes. Spread the
You guys-
toes.
Do you guys look at palmistry or anything like that? That kind of stuff?
No.
No, but it's super looked into in the East. I know. Like
Do
people
you?
even get like, no, not palmistry. No, I used to be really big into numerology, astrology, and all that stuff.
Numerology, astrology. What can you tell me about my astrological sign?
Well, you have to give me your birth time.
2:47.
Really?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Where in the U.S.?
Hamilton, Ohio.
You want me to break it down for you right now? Like I can seriously break it down.
Run it.
September 29th, 94, right?
Hey. Hey now.
Oh, my bad.
We don't need them to know my age. Yes, September 29th. So you guys have made it this far. You've made it to the portion of the live stream where Erkan breaks down my mental chart. No, my horoscope chart.
What's your what city?
I put it
Oh, let me see in your chat. Hold on, let me see.
private chat.
Yeah, guys, I know you guys. The people from India are gonna like this one. They'll be like, "Oh, he's one of those."
I'm calling the frickin' the market guys. You guys are gonna serve for me. You're gonna get that price back up, and then it's gonna reject from where I need it to, and then I'm gonna get short, and then it's gonna be perfect timing to stop trading. Okay, so listen to this. We're about to get a break of structure.
We are, aren't we?
So,
And I like that. If we get that inversion on that 15, we might be Gucci for that long, huh? To that 15-minute unmitigated.
this right here is the high that created the lower low, right? This is not a break of structure yet because there is no lower low. So we're working off of this high from this low. And now we've just, let's see, do we get it? Did we? Yeah, looks like it. I
Whoa.
can't see because Yes, we just.
Something's happening to your audio.
Hello?
Chad, is your audio okay? Because I'm hearing pretty choppy.
Am I underwater?
You're underwater.
Okay.
Wow, not black.
Yeah, chat. Check in. Let me know. No, Erkan, you're lagging. Apparently you're lagging.
I'm lagging?
Okay. Yeah. I'll let you figure that out while I chat then. Okay. So this is the lower low that, or the high, lower high that connected to the lower low. And then we just broke it. So that creates a break of structure. BOS, we'll call it. Oh, you like that? Ooh, saucy. I can't draw with this. It's really hard. So that creates a break of structure. Now we are looking for price to continue higher. I really want to just see this get into either this gap. Honestly, I feel like I should just get long at this gap and then take it up. What do you guys think? Should we do that? Should we put like one little tiny, yeah, we'll put one on. So my entry would have been this 1 minute gap right here. And my exit will be below the gap. But what I would like to see is for price to come back up and test this next level here. And then, work its way back up. So let's see how that plays out. We'll go back over here. Yes. Okay. Oh, look. Erkan's back. Woohoo!
It's all good now?
Seems like it.
Good. Cool.
Make sure we don't have any 5 minutes. Oops. We did. Ooh, we could, if we could get a closure above that, that would be looking good to at least 604, give or take.
What are the charts looking like? Let's take a look here. We like it, chat. We like it. Okay.
So
you're going long. Excuse me.
I got long, yeah. I got long in this little 1 minute gap because we got the break of structure. So I am looking for just like a little scalp. Like, you guys see how yesterday I was trading like 3 to 10 in an eval, and like now we're trading 1. We trade very differently. Like, I'd rather take a couple.
Well, it's not that. It's not that. Like, I think you wanted to bring up the buffer on this, but like I think it's just a riskier trade. That's why you went a little bit lower risk, right? Yeah,
I meant to get in here, but I had decided I wanted to get in after it had engaged that price, so we got a late entry. But
okay, I'm gonna wait for this 15-minute inversion here, retest of it, and then take it long with you.
Okay. 15-minute inversion. So right here at 626, we got one here. If that's what you're talking about, the little one. I think I'm gonna add in.
Bows.
Here was that 15-minute. We did close above it. So let's see where it wants to pull back down to. Maybe just right there. We could pull back down to there, really. Are you in?
I am long.
Okay. And you are looking to be long till
into that 15-minute gap.
605 or like midway 613?
Just a second. Let me just get filled in here. All right, so yeah, I'm looking for that. I'm going to get a gap up to 665, right?
665?
Yeah, the bottom of that.
65.
I'm sorry,
okay.
670.
Oh, okay. So you're talking about the one way up there. So you're not looking
Yeah.
at the 15-minute here. You're looking at the 15-minute next to the VWAP.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm
I like
basically reversion play back to VWAP,
I like it.
right? You do.
I like it.
I like it. I do. Remember that song?
Uh-huh. Said drink water. What?
Drink water.
It's looking good.
Looking good. We always look good.
If it wants to come back down and test that 573, 5-minute gap, I'm gonna add in. I'm gonna set a limit for like 3 more because I'm feeling pretty confident in the trade.
Looks good. Looks good.
Looks stellar.
Yeah, that head and shoulders, that like on the 1 minute, that head and shoulders pattern, it's called a delivery pattern. That's a delivery.
Shoulder, head, shoulder.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Never heard of that before.
Yeah. We should see some continuation here to our target. Good trade, Chad. Good trade.
See, like lunch hour and volume decided to pick up. Okay. Because that makes sense.
Lunchbox. We need some of that song, some of those songs. God, I love those.
What songs?
The PFM songs.
Oh, well, why don't you just go hang out on PFM? Jeez. Just kidding. I'm gonna be on PFM.
I've been there since like October. Guys, if you don't know, check out PFM. They're great.
You've been there since October?
Yeah, like watching since October.
Oh. I've been there since day one.
Which
So,
was like a month before that.
I have no idea.
Yeah, it was like
Honestly, I think it was after October because I started with Zach coaching one-on-one in like November. I love this song.
Really?
Sorry. You don't love this song.
No, that's cool.
It's fine. It's fine. I'm changing it.
You're
Made
taking it?
so much. No, I said I'm changing it.
Oh. I'm full out of that, and
What are you talking about? You said that you were.
I know I said that
Why are you playing with it?
because I want my original trade idea, which was the
New York down?
yeah,
Feel that.
Any
Yeah,
kind of counter trend
I-
things like that. I'm not looking for home runs on anything. I should have went a little bit heavier on that, but it's okay.
Yeah.
Didn't mean to leave you in the dust.
It's fine. I actually closed mine too because with that reaction, I do think that we come down. We test this higher low.
I'll tell you why. Yeah, I agree with you. So I tell you why. Look left on the 1 minute. Here, I could show my screen actually.
1 minute. Looking
Yeah,
left.
we
took this right here.
Equal highs. Yeah, those
Okay.
equal highs exactly.
Yeah, and then the next area would be there. So We want to see a high or low, which could easily be this 5 minute, and then we want to see it take the liquidity there.
Yes.
So if we can get in here and then we sell there, that could be prete, or even there, we'd front run it 646. You and I are very similar, huh?
I know, yeah, it's very similar. That's why it's good. But yeah, we've effectively broken the range. I mean, break of structure, right?
Yes. Broke structure, market structure is shifted. Banger. It's kind of sad that that drop is only right there in the song, because I really like that.
That was a good drop. My watch thought I was moving. She's like, good job. You got up.
And the watch taps in. That's funny. I want to check the 15 minute just to be safe. Okay. About the same. About the
I
same.
might participate again. Might participate again. Participate again.
See, we waited all morning, but like here we are.
Did. I know. But you know, we're just gonna take what we can get, I guess. But that 5 minute, like we were talking about, is good. I think I like that for sure. I'm gonna wait for that. Let's wait for that.
So you're not partaking.
Not right now. I would partake at 500s. I mean, yeah, like 525.
525. See, I have mine in the middle of that gap just to be safety.
Okay, yeah.
Like you're saying, like right here, you'd want to see it for the entire gap.
Yeah. Yeah, middle of the gap is cool too.
I usually put it like 2/3 of the way, because halfway is where it'll usually reject if it's going to. So I'm willing to take like this trade, and then if it closes below, then I'll close it. But we're not closing below. Let's see.
Might run without us.
Like even here, getting this little pullback here, it makes me want to short it just for this, just
Really?
until that gap. Yeah, I always like, I see those and I like to take this too. It's called a scalp.
How's the viewers? We losing people?
Oh, gaining. We're at 56.
Of course. Let's go, chat. What are you guys looking at? Talk to us.
Gaining them. Gaining them.
So I feel like being a streamer is like one of my higher versions of myself.
Oh yeah?
Does that make sense at all?
Sure.
Like it makes me become a better person.
Also, sorry, I don't want to divert too hard. I just want to say we created this little inversion here, so we're not gonna pick up my orders. We're just gonna go. But yeah, so higher version of yourself. How? Like how? Explain what you mean. Like, do you feel better, or do you feel more productive, or do you feel like why do you feel that way?
Like it's just a higher frequency of being, you know, like when I'm in a flow of communication and I'm able to speak more freely, like my voice. Sometimes I like speech problems sometimes, so it helps me a lot.
Good. Glad that stream can bring that to you. I also kind of I have social impairments. So being able to talk on stream and talk to the chat helps
Mhm.
me a lot in public
Yeah.
because sometimes I'll just like sit very recluse for a month and then not
Mm.
socialize, and then I'll go outside and be feeling weird, saying weird stuff, being weird.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah, I
I
feel you.
was just like, stuck
A
in the
little
social.
awkward turtle.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel you. I'm a little bit like that, but yeah, I have to exercise it. And when I do exercise, and I'm like the shit. I'm like the life of the party. Like literally, that's just
Yeah.
how I am. Like literally, everyone. When I go to meetups and stuff, it's just off the chain.
Yeah.
People
Feel
say
that.
they're like, people are like, they said at the last boot camp, there are a few people who are like, we were most excited to meet you. Because,
Really?
yeah, I don't know why. They're like, we were most like a lot of people said that they were really like I was the coolest person that they met there.
Honestly, like you kind of stay active in like all the chats. Like I remember seeing your
Yeah.
name all the time. And so like I knew you by name before
Mhm.
we ever even like talked. So when you
Yeah.
did hit me up, I was like, what's good? Like I
Mhm.
felt like I knew you because I already saw you in ASFX and prop for match and
Yeah.
you're just like active, right?
Yeah, active. But yeah, they were like, "Oh, it's Erkan. He's a legend. Oh my god."
Yeah.
I was
Yeah,
like,
and
yeah.
you're a great trader, so double
Thank
whammy.
And we're just going up from here. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, straight up. So far we are both green on the day. We have not really taken any trades, if you can tell here. I took 2 small scalps with 1 micro. And then Philip, nice to see you here. Yeah, it's a long stream. We don't really have a set time, but because we didn't take any trades in the beginning, it's like we're still here.
Yeah.
But
yeah,
we will
we're kind of like
by-
kind of still just waiting for our edge to develop here. I mean, we have something to do a little bit later, but
yeah, great traders don't rush trades. You sit and you wait for the setup. That's it. Look, that's that gap I was talking about.
Yep.
It's literally aligned with the gap and the thing, so I could see like.
Yeah, I'm with you.
But technically, I only need like 150 or 200 on the day, and then this counts as one of my profitable days. So I'm chill with that too. I don't need to get like $3,000.
Get that out of your head.
Get what out of my head?
Like that whole 150 thing.
I mean, it's relevant. I know people say, don't pay attention to your P&L or don't pay attention to your blah, blah, blah. Like, it's relevant. So, like, you know, it's not like you could make 7, 12, 13,000 in a day and then you get to take payout. Like, you have to wait 5 days. You have to make your 150. So, it's relevant.
I just feel like all those things are all traps.
It is if you let it, for sure.
If you let it, yeah. Where is your cat?
Wait. She'll say hi again.
Meow.
He was here on stream earlier.
No, I can't.
Like she's like a little muffin. Like I'm holding her by her back feet right now, and she's just slouched. Oh.
I'm dying right now.
She's pretty much trained to just like be held like this.
Oh my god.
And anytime I like pick her up, like that's just your energy. Yeah, I'll show my kitty all day. I love you.
I can't.
One downside of that is like anytime she touches my face or my clothes.
Oh, she sheds.
She is a shedder.
Did we close above that gap on the 15 here, or was that? Yeah, we did. We closed above that other 15-minute gap at 626.
Mm-hmm.
So it looks like it looks like it wants to go ahead and touch the that area that we were looking at. BRB.
We got a couple. We got opening range low. We got what are these yellow marks? Okay, that's about 50%. Wow, we have a lot of confluences here. So when when you pull, oopsie, let me undo that. When you pull your fib from the top to the bottom, you see the 50% mark is here. VWAP is here, anchored from the 930. Then the opening range is there. So what me and Erkan are looking for is something like that. Like, I don't need to see this do anything crazy. I just need to see like, let's see where it needs to go. Something like that could even be stellar, or like this. That could be a good concept. Because remember, we've switched. We're going from a bearish structure to a bullish structure. So as long as we put in like a higher low and continue higher, it could easily be something like that. Yeah, dog.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
No full port longs yet. Full port shorts. We're looking at shorts. We're looking at shorts. In the short term, yes, we're looking at shorts, but there's also great areas to long. So, but we are looking for, by the way, this is 50%. It's also opening range low, and it's the New York. So if we could price to come back, show resistance between these three, that's a triple confluence.
Yeah, absolutely.
And then, yeah, just bop and bop down there. Because this is also a perfect setup, too. As long as we don't form any new gaps right here on our way up, we have this entire space right here that we capitalize on.
Yep.
That's sexy.
Yeah, exactly. Very.
I'm losing my voice. Give me a second.
If you would only drink some water.
Listen, I don't want to hear it. I don't like it, okay? I don't like it at all.
What's your name? The water bearer or some shit? Waterfall?
I'm a waterfall. I'm a waterfall.
Don't go chasing water.
I've just been unusually quiet. Of course he has.
I know.
Yo, let me get into my trade at the New York VWAP, and then Trump, go ahead and say something stupid.
Yeah.
Let that shit tank. That'd be so fire.
Yeah, I'm with you there.
All right, I don't want to see you doing that now. Chill out. Chill out. Okay, we'll get that. Can I just... Yeah, I can. I can do whatever I want.
Yeah, this is a tough spot. We'll see what happens. A little bit.
Is it a tough spot? Why is it a tough spot?
Do you want me to okay, I'll show you my screen.
Yes, please show.
So, another thing I use are the EMAs. If this typically if a trend is continuous, it's going to hold and close below this red EMA. If we close above this red EMA, that means the selling is done, and you'd want to be exiting. You want to be exiting your sells.
Yeah,
because this, it's been.
And I think so, but I do think that we obviously have to come back down and put in a higher low.
Yeah. But also something could happen here at this red line, which would indicate if you get some kind of bearish action here on the next candle, on the next 15, or even on this 15, then it's Gucci. We're good for the shorts. That's just another thing I use. This is Austin's old EMAs that he used to use.
Hey, dang, you've been with him for how long?
Oh yeah, a long time. Well, even I've studied what he used to teach even before he started teaching it.
That's cool.
Yeah. It's called Beat the Market Maker.
Ba, ba, ba.
Also see this. This is called a TDI. TDI is a oscillating indicator,
What is it called?
and it's called the TDI, Traders Dynamic Index.
Oh,
And this yellow line here is the equilibrium. And anytime if we close above that, then we're gonna go up to this volatility band up here, which could send price higher, or we could stop here and bring it and go lower. So we just have to wait to see what happens here at this equilibrium, which is 50% of this thing. It's all lining up right now. It's all lining up. It's all lining up, guys.
so it's really just comes down to patience to see which direction it wants to go, and then it's going to really go.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So
Interesting.
we'll take a look here. Okay, we're at opening range low. All right. Just gonna wait for that tap, and we're gonna see what the reaction is here. And then, because seller stepped in here at the same price. If we're working prices, right? Seller stepped in at this price earlier today.
Mhm.
Typically, if it happened in the session before, this high volume pressure, it's going to happen again. Not necessarily to the same extent. Hey, yo, you scared me.
Oh, spike straight up in there. Sorry, go on.
I don't know. You shook me.
I'm just looking like we spiked.
So and then so I would take it from the fib from the low to the high, and I would take it down to this 50%. So this is my trade idea here, and I want to be here. This is my stop. This is my trade idea.
And what
We have
what
this-
does your 50% line up with? What price?
Let's see. Oh, it's the unmitigated gap. Look at that. Unmitigated gap on the 15,
Oh,
which is 550.
550. Yep, that's the one I literally have circled.
Look at you.
We are on it. Let's see if we can get it. I mean, I might be willing to just throw something on.
No, not yet. This is not a good. I mean, it's up to you. However you want to do
Like
it.
we're gonna come down and anyways. So like, I'll give it room. I'll give it a wassail.
She's giving it a wassail. Okay.
Yeah, we do that. If we do that, let's say we tap into this little 1 minute right above us, and then reject out of that.
Okay. And then I want to see an inversion here. I want to see an inversion on the 1 minute in this area, right? I want to see an inversion of this price. Do you see my screen?
Mm-hmm.
It's inversion of 661. If we get an inversion there, I'm taking it all
Perfect.
day.
Yeah.
It's our responsibility to take that shit.
I want to see one more minute bar up into that minute gap. That's,
Into this, yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
5.
I
I'm
feel you.
in a position already, but
Okay. You want to build into it?
I have 2 contracts in. So I have another limit sell at 705, and I will be looking for like it to inverse pretty quickly as well. And then I have it set at 550.
Okay.
Here, so my thing is 680, slightly above the New York.
Mm-hmm.
And down here where we circled earlier, that's my TP. So I just want to see it tap this area real quick. So like if 250 per contract puts me at 750 on the day. So then like 900 on the day. I could be keen on that.
Across 2, right? Or on each account?
across no on each account.
Oh, nice.
$750 would be like a $1,400 day
Nice.
cash. You know.
Money. We gotta get you a money gun from Amazon.
Why?
Because that would be funny.
Oh no.
Yeah, it would be a money gun. Well, you know, with the
That
fake
actually would be cute, but at the same time, it'd be really hectic to try to clean it up. Every single time, like imagine we just like blow the money gun. Both of us, we should both get one. And then every time somebody like wins or like answers a question right or something, we'll just do that.
Yeah, man, you can make it entertaining.
Yeah. Is it gonna tag me in? Yeah. It must. It must. No, it must not. You're short? Oh la la. We got 60 of you in here right now. Thank you for being here. If you don't know, we're taking pretty much our first trade of the day because the market was just sad this morning. A lot of chop. There was one really great trade we called out, but I was playing on Twitter and didn't get short. So
no worries. Abundance mindset.
Right here. Tap my limit.
Line in the sand. Line in the sand for me. Line in the sand for me.
Like where you would close the trade?
Where I would invalidate the trade.
I'd say at like 728 above the 1 minute because it's like, why hold it any longer?
Okay.
He said, okay. No challenge on that. Just okay.
Nope.
Cool.
Trust you.
Yeah. I mean, it's got, no, we haven't done it yet. It's got like some espacio.
You good on time?
Yeah, I got 28 minutes. I mean, 32 minutes.
Okay.
I do want to monitor this trade, so I'll do the giveaway after, but yeah, we're gonna, all right, we just got tapped on our, my limit order just got tapped. So if you don't know, I'm short. I do need to see a rejection. I think this one's going to take patience, though.
Yeah. To be vigilant here.
Yeah, like, would it be fair to give it, you know, only to the closure above this gap, or
on the 1 minute?
Yeah, because I don't see anything else above it that I'd be willing to put a stop at. Like, of course, we could do previous structure up at like, I don't know, like 805, but like, would you really, you know, I think it would need to come down before.
This is a reminder. Laguna Dermatology.
Alexa, turn off.
The fuck?
Yeah, we just need to see this come back down and put in a higher low.
Okay.
Yes, Cardix, we gonna do it. We're gonna monitor our trade first, and then we're gonna.
Oh, I guess there's a time limit on the stream for X.
Is that?
Is that because you're not streaming on X anymore?
Am I not?
Doesn't see it. I don't see it. Are you?
Let me see. X stock.
Just curious.
Yeah, it's still there.
Oh, okay, my bad.
Yeah, because I see we got 36 people in from X right now, and the other 30 something are from YouTube. 20 something, 25. fire.
This looks good. I mean, I feel you got some draws here. We got a lot of imbalance to the, you got a lot of low resistance liquidity that we generated from this pump up.
Mm-hmm.
All
This
of this wants to be taken at some point here.
Yep. This gap is our line in the sand, y'all. Bro, I love this shit.
What?
Just being a trader.
Oh, hell yeah.
Because I love the validation of like you mark something out on the chart
Yeah.
and you're right. Like you get little bits of validation that help build your self-esteem.
I know.
I need a self-esteem build. 95.
Yeah, I definitely. I mean, I definitely came a long way with that for sure. I used to be pretty.
Everybody's got self-esteem issues, like except for Austin Silver.
Did he tell you that we used to play soccer together when we were kids?
What?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, because we both grew up in New Jersey, and I remember him from when I was a kid, and I was like, dude, I think I played with you in soccer.
That is so freaking crazy.
So crazy, and it's a core memory of my I remember him. Like he was so fast. I was like, man, this kid's fast.
A little sprinter.
And yeah, he was really fast, and he's really athletic.
Funny.
So funny. He had like a multicolored glasses, and his coach was really hard on him too.
Why?
Because he was good. He was good.
Maybe that's why Austin's so hard on everybody.
Yeah.
Trauma. Like he was really aggressive. He's a really aggressive coach, but
yeah.
Like at times I was just like I can't handle it. Like I'm a hard
Is
person.
that why?
But I can't take it. Like I'm a hard coach to people, or like, like I'm the same.
You're hard to coach?
I'm a hard coach.
Oh yeah, you're hard on people. Yeah.
I'm hard on people because I want them to succeed. So I push. But
yeah, sometimes people get like, they're like, oh, he's an asshole, because
I definitely don't try to be. I had like 200 employees at one of my businesses, and I was just like really hard on people, and it's not because I didn't like them or anything. It's just because I just really wanted them to succeed, and whenever they'd do something stupid or whatever, I'd be like, really, just come on, you got this, you're better than this, like why would you do that? But people don't respond well to that, so you kind of have to be more.
Which company was this?
I had like a company that I did like finance sales.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I tried to do that in like the restaurant industry, but it was not working out for me. People were like, F you.
I was really nice in my restaurant because that was like later on in life. When I opened the restaurant, I was like so nice to people.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm very detail oriented, so.
I am too.
Yeah.
You expect perfection because you strive for perfection. So you expect somebody else to do it, and then your expectations get put down or let down, and then you get frustrated with people.
Yeah. Yep. So I had to let go of that. It was a big learning lesson for me. Big growth for like just letting that stuff go.
Yeah. Are we gonna get this push up and close above this little gap here or not?
Yeah.
I mean, it looks great. I just feel like I need to see it move down.
This could keep, we could get a better trade location, because if we measure from the swing high to the swing low. I mean, not necessarily just from the New York session swing high, swing low. I mean, I would like to see it. We should see it. Some retrace here.
50% of that mark would be about where we're at.
Let me see if I can share my screen on that.
Like, look, I have it from the high of the day to the low of the day. 50% of that mark is about 656.
Yeah, like we could get that, or we can get the 50% from this swing high of 128, 128. So that could be also valid as well. So just have to be vigilant here. Does that make sense?
No, sorry.
Okay, I'll share my screen.
Yeah, do that. Shareth thine screen. Sorry, I was just messing with my feed. I was just messing with my feed. My Fibonacci.
We can feed. Okay, so right here's the beginning of the session. I mean the high of the session, right? To the swing low. We're at a good area of the premium of the range. Or we could take it from here to here. Like both could be valid. Both could be valid. Like it could come and take out these stops here, these stacked highs here, come into this area and sell off, because that's from the swing high to the swing low, the full swing high, swing low. But we'll see.
What are you breaking over there? What's that bang?
What bang?
I heard something go bang.
It's the payout hitting my bank account.
Hi. Damn, pull up. All right, so did we figure out for streaming? Should we stream for like an hour tomorrow?
Tomorrow? Yeah, we're doing tomorrow. I thought tonight too.
Yeah, so we're gonna do tonight, guys. We'll be on tonight. At what time? 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. 8 p.m. Eastern Time. We will be on tonight streaming the Asia session, and then tomorrow. I still want to go camping, but
yeah, we'll play it by ear tomorrow. Let's see what's good. Don't like this, Abby.
Yeah, I don't like this reaction. I don't like it one bit. But I almost am like, I would let it, I might hold it because we still have to come back down, you know?
Don't have to, but...
Yeah, we do. We have to. Like, we have to.
So now on the TDI, like you see this here.
Yeah.
If you see that, it looks like it will run towards the volatility band high here, potentially. And then to the 50%, I mean, to 50 moving average, we'll see.
So what are you saying?
Let me see what I'm saying. Let me see what I'm saying. I think worst case scenario. Contemplating cutting it. But my glucose in my brain is kind of depleting because I didn't eat anything, and I usually start to start heading to the gym around this time. But yeah, we want to see this straight through. We waited all day.
Dude, yeah, we really waited all day. Like, the worst thing would be if we got off the chart and it sold heavy.
I know.
I mean, we're getting a good reaction here, so I'm feeling like...
Take a look here. If we could get a nice slice through VWAP, that would be sweet. Otherwise...
Like, it could just be playing fakes, you know?
Mm-hmm. We're still in that gap, right? We're still in that gap?
Okay.
Huh?
Okay. Okay.
Better trade. I mean, better patience would have been a strong break of the New York, right? Inverting this gap. Inverting this gap, right?
I mean, it's totally possible. So, like, I'm in my trade, but I will watch how it responds to the New York because it is totally possible that it leaves space for the Asia session and just touches the New York and then keeps going higher.
Mm-hmm.
Everything is relative.
Cool.
And the New York is at 72. So I will be ready to, I'm going to trail my stop and I will be ready to pull it if it gets a strong reaction.
Okay. I'm with you there.
Because I don't need to be greedy just because I sat here for like many, many hours and
Exactly. We got rest of the week, got tomorrow. But yeah, I'm with you there on that.
Yeah. I think like right there. So that I at least bagged 200 on the day. And that will at least make me feel like I did something, you know?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, chat. What do you guys think?
I might be frozen.
You're not, no.
I'm not? Okay.
It's
Stream
summer.
errors.
Why should you be frozen? Ha ha ha ha ha.
Because my pocket's so cold.
That would mean it's like not good.
Not good, right? Okay, so my pockets are hot.
Yes.
I'm a nerd sometimes, chat.
My Asia is post midnight, so I'll probably be asleep. Ding. I reckon sales are coming for a pullback. My Asia is 2 a.m. Man. Come on. Give us what we're looking for here. If you know what's good for you, market, you will sell.
This is not what my winning trades look like. Usually they go straight into profit.
I know, it's so lame. Lame sauce.
But I'm willing to wait another 15-minute candle. And that's about it for me on the close of the hourly.
Yeah. Market gods, let's go.
All we need is just a little slice of the pie. That's all we need.
Yeah.
You guys have all the monies in the world.
Full agree. Okay, I'm gonna just keep my stop real tight.
Okay. We're at the highs there? We're at the highs, 77.36?
No,
Where
I'm
was
trailing.
that?
I'm trailing
Where's
because
your
at
price?
this point, I'm not trying to be greedy. I do not care what I get. It is what it is. What is 72 is New York, right?
Say again?
72 is New York.
No. That's the high of this this swing high.
Sorry, I'm like
Let
at
me-
my I'm on top step, so I can't see my screen right now, so I can't see what's going on.
My computer's freezing on me and it's making me very angry. I gotta go to my phone and manage my trade. I need a new computer. First of all,
$1,000 payout.
Abby,
Hmm?
we are killers. First of all,
Yeah, we are. Here, I will,
We are killers.
oh, sorry guys. I'm gonna switch over to mine. As said, I am just trailing because I don't know what it's gonna do. We sliced through the New York. We're looking for this to get tapped right here. That would be the most ideal sitch. Maybe I'll just put it there. We did close below that. We haven't created any 1 minute fair value gaps yet, but we did just inverse this little 1 minute here. Close below the New York, inverse this. It's hard because we stayed in this for so long that I'm like, I just want to kind of want to just like take profit.
I know.
And I don't want to hold it anymore.
And then just be like, what do you
Yeah,
have?
stuck, but you guys can still hear him. I can hear him. You can hear him.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like part of me, I'm just like, oh, I could just take profit and be up like 750 in the account. But like, I know this move is totally valid.
Mm-hmm.
But you gotta just see it through. See it through. See it through.
And those equal lows right there at the 609.
609 right here.
Mm-hmm. And that's in the 50% area. If we take that, I'll be out.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, I'm gonna try to just be as patient as possible because I'm already trailing my stop, which is already going against me. Like that's not a good thing. But I'm like, I just don't want to sit in this for so long.
Mm-hmm. I understand.
Like we really just were sitting in it for so long just to see profit. Come on, baby.
Yeah, I definitely want to get out of this pretty soon.
Light it up.
Pretty
Tweet something
soon.
stupid.
Because we don't have a wick on the top of the 15-minute. It looks like we want to like we want to fill that at some point. So
That right at 687.
Yeah, in the 15-minute there's a.
We have a mini wick. Does that count?
No, I have an indicator that shows no wick.
Okay.
So it's valid. I don't do it for my eye.
So then I'll trail it even tighter then.
I'm going to be looking to get out pretty soon. All right, there. I'm out.
You're out. Don't play. I'm gonna still try to I'm gonna trail it really tight, but I'm still gonna try.
Yeah, trail. Do your thing.
I do want to see, because what could I? Okay, I'm out. 720 profit times 2 accounts. Let's go. And that's funded, baby.
Let's go.
Now, do I think it could still come back down to here? Yes.
Yeah. But we got lives to live. We got
low-hanging fruit. We did low-hanging fruit.
Yeah, we did.
All right, guys.
We did.
Let us go ahead and start this giveaway because you guys have been ever so patient. We love that. Thank you. If you haven't already, drop a like on the stream. We appreciate that. If you appreciate us, do that shit.
So annoying, this fucking thing, man. My computer.
Yee, look at you guys.
Stupid things with.
All right, fam bams. What do we call this code? We're gonna call the code today patience. Why? Because we were patient as fuck. Pardon my French. What are you getting into after stream?
So annoying.
What? All right, guys, run on over there. I'll give a couple minutes for you guys to get your names on in the Discord. Discord's in the description. If you're new here, jump over from X into my Discord. Well, first off, YouTube. So youtube.com/Abby Manzoni. Underneath there, you will be able to find my Discord in the description and drop a like on the stream while you're at it. And then, yeah, we'll get that going. I think Erkan's computer froze, so he is thingamabodge. But also, just so you know, if anybody wins on this and they're just like one of my random 500 members in Discord and they were not active in the chat, they won't be able to collect on this. We want fairness, so it's only going to be available to the people that I've seen in the chat today. In the chat. Oh, hi.
Hi.
We got to set it up in a way that you actually can like log into. You know what we should do?
Make another one.
Yeah, I need. Don't try to be active in the chat now to be a part of the giveaway. Like, if you weren't active in the chat before I dropped it, it's not happening, unfortunately. This was my funded account. Yeah, here you go.
2 funded accounts. We're all trading funded accounts here and live, personal, no evals. That's why we were super patient today, because we're have real risk on the table.
I think Discord is a piece of crap. Like, why?
Yeah, you gotta have the
Every
premium.
time it always does the same thing, where it like expires.
It's because you don't have the premium.
Oh, that's stupid.
Mm-hmm.
All right, well, guys, just refresh your YouTube page, and I just put the new link in there.
If I was nutty, I would take it long here to fill this no wick on the 15. If I was a little nutty.
Who said we're not?
Mm-hmm.
I don't need to press my luck, honestly.
No, you don't have to. Yeah, I mean, green on the day, you're good. I think you're chilling.
I made what most people make in a week today.
Mm-hmm.
And so in retrospect, $700 is not a lot when I like look at my past days and I know how much I've made in a day.
Mm-hmm.
But then I like think about it and I'm like,
yeah, put it in
I
perspective.
don't see this in a week.
Exactly.
Like even full time. And what did it take us? 3 hours?
Yeah, something like that. Three hours. Yeah.
Actually, here we're gonna do some proper calculation while people are entering. Excuse me, a hiccup. While people are entering the giveaway. So like 1,428. Or wait, that's not math. 723 times 2 divided by 40 hours. That's still making like more than minimum wage, $36 an hour.
Heck yeah.
Goated.
Goated for sure. So yeah, we're just collecting names, right, Abby?
I am.
Collecting names.
Names. I need to have like a specific one that's like a VIP section for people that are specifically in our YouTube. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I shall pull entry portal. So let's talk about codes real quick. so this is going to be a top one futures account. Top one futures, they have straight to funded. They have daily payout accounts. They have, you can sit in an eval stage, or you can just just go straight to being every dollar you make is a real dollar. And they are giving us accounts for Forex, and that will be top one trader. Top one trader, you can do my code, Abby, and then you can also do top one futures, same, my code. And yeah, let's create code. I think there's
just real quick. I don't want to, tell you later. I'm long now, but I don't want to be like, oh, did it without me. Just on my.
I don't know why, but I'm long too. For the wick, right? What's the wick at? Because I'm just trying to run a giveaway.
Oh shit!
I don't know. I FOMO'd.
Oh, that's funny. 28686. 28686.
686. These are fun for me. Okay. Right there. Oh, I have 4 contracts long.
Oh, dude. Oh.
Oh my goodness. Let me sell it.
Yeah.
Let me sell.
Ooh.
Sell and profit though.
Sure.
Don't play with me. Don't play. Are you okay?
Yeah.
What happened? Okay. What did we break?
My glasses.
What glass?
The wine glass.
Oh. Do you need help? Do you need help? Fuel survival. Okay. I don't know if you guys heard all that commotion in the kitchen.
Dang.
All right, I sold 3.
Yeah, it's a high risk play. That's why I don't.
Yeah, that was Coats and accident.
It's a high risk play.
You got to stop on that or no?
Nah.
No way. No way, Jose. Really, I should just be focusing on doing the giveaway, not taking the trick.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I apologize. I didn't mean to distract you.
It's not your fault. Patience.
What should I work out today, Abby?
I heard that legs helps with cognitive function, so.
What are you saying, huh? What are you trying to say?
Angel, you get free accounts. You can't do that. Oh, sorry. Ignore that, guys. What happened?
Angel, take along with us, brother.
Yeah, Angel, full port long. Export entries. PATIENCE. Let's get it. How about the butter? Are you kidding?
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying.
There's no way.
Look at that. Sniper or what? Sniper.
Guys, this is going to take a minute because, yeah, we're at 69 viewers right now. Drop a like on the screen, my fams.
I still like it.
It looks like going lower.
We're in small, so it's all good. We're up on the day, pretty good. My TPs are stop, Erkan. Oh,
my TPs are stop.
What if I have no stop, huh?
Angel is notoriously the liquidity, so you do not have to worry.
Yeah, we know this.
Oh la la! Look at that! Look at that! I should have just kept the 4 contracts on. In retrospect,
hey, what man?
Risked my profits on the day. Just kidding.
There's no accidents.
All right, I'm gonna trail this just because I need to focus on.
Yeah, do your thing.
I might just close it, not because I don't believe in it, but because I need to.
I close it.
You what?
I close it
You closed yours?
right now.
You told me it was at 686.
I know, but as soon as you said that, I wanted to close it, so I did.
Well, now you close better than I close, so I gotta wait.
You'll get it. You'll get it. You'll get this move.
I think so. But yeah, I was just gonna close it because there's a whole lot of entries. There's like 60 something entries, and I was gonna start looking in the chat to see like who's here.
Okay. Wow, the Diddy candle.
I think we gotta do something differently. Guys, I think we have to do something differently. I don't know if it's gonna be a duck race. I feel like we have to do something in the chat for the people. Like a participation thing. Like you guys have to be here because otherwise it's like what? Get out of here. I want this to go to the people who are like active on stream with us now and not to everybody in Discord. And I feel like a lot of people are like or I can just run the duck race and
We could do spin the wheel. We could do Angel.
LOL.
Bro, is your girl comfortable with you saying that, bro?
All right, this is what we're doing, guys. This is what we're doing. Once I run this, okay, this is what we're doing. So, guys, I need you to like clock in real quick. This is what we're doing. I'm going to put this with everybody's name on it. And I think a lot of these people came from Discord as well, because I don't believe that 69 people and there's 67 entries. I don't think that's facts. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to run it. You'll have 30 seconds. No, you'll have 20 seconds to type that the winner, that's me. And then you have to go to Discord and immediately DM me. If I don't see that, I'm running it again. Does that make sense? Can I get a amen in the chat if that makes sense?
Can I get a hallelujah?
I'm going to run it. We're going to do 20 seconds, 20 seconds, 20 seconds. Oh, cute. Love a pop-up. Love it completely lagging. So I'm going to X these out so it lags a little less. All right.
4, 3, 2, not that.
Making it for the win right now? Let's go!
Dude, oh my God. Let's go.
Trader 02. All right, so
Let's go.
drop it right now. Let me know who that is. If it's not somebody, claim it, claim it, claim it,
Claim it.
claim it. Who is it? Are you in the chat right now? I need a capital. Is it you? All right, well then go to Discord and DM me directly with that username.
Tails, let's go.
I'll be really stoked if that's you, Trails, because you've been here with us all day, and I think that's well deserved. Is that Trails? I'm confused. I need to know. DM me right now. DM me right now. It's fine. If he is joking or something, then whoever it is has to DM me on Discord right now.
What's their name? That's not me. Who was it? Tails? Was it Tails of Imoku?
It said so. I can actually just DM them. I just realized. But then that defeats the purpose of...
Oh, they gotta come to you.
Yeah, they gotta come to me.
Angel.
Let's see. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba.
The ducks didn't even hit the water.
What?
Someone's like, the ducks didn't even hit the water, bro. That's funny.
Is anybody collecting this? Can I get a capital "It's me" in the chat if it is?
Otherwise, we'll run it again, guys. We'll give you 10 seconds here. Winner's gone. Sent. Okay, I think it's Tails of Imoku.
Who's Lance?
Tails.
Oh,
Angel's just.
all right. I'll run it
trolling.
again.
We need a soundboard too, Abby. We need to get up on a soundboard. Know what I'm saying?
What'd you say?
I said we need to get up on a soundboard.
What does that mean?
A soundboard is a like, you know how Zach goes like "Fah!"
Oh yeah, I don't even like doing that, but you can
I
definitely
know.
do that if your heart desires.
My heart desires.
Like, oh, what? Nah, okay, he did. Hold on. Yeah, I got the DM.
Okay, FX Trader.
Yeah.
I love trading communities. I love like-minded people. It just elevates your consciousness so much.
Oh, show. Let's go. Dee-da-da-da-da-da-da. Did anybody see that?
Mm-mm.
I said,
Oh my god.
Angel's funny. All right.
Are we done with the giveaway?
Yeah. Nice. All right, cool.
Nice.
I love to see that. I don't know why I thought the whole time your name was Trails, but I love to see that. Love to see that because you have been active with us all day, and that is just fab.
Yeah,
Okay,
guys,
cool.
appreciate it.
If you could, Tails, FX Trader, are you futures or are you Forex? Because that's going to be two different situations on what we send you and how I send it to you. So I'm gonna need your name, your first name, your last name, and your email, and just DM that to me. I will not put it on the screen. Don't worry.
I'm long again.
You're long again, sir?
614.
For what?
Don't tell anybody.
614, right there. Why are you long?
Because we hit 50% of that move, and we still have that no wick on the 15 to fill that at the price 678.
Do I want to be greedy or just get off?
Yeah, I'm being a little bit of a dick for a tick, a little bit, but you know, when you play, I mean, I'm here, so you might as well.
I'm not gonna be like you. I just locked myself out.
All right, cool.
All right, guys. I gotta go. I screwed up.
We gotta go.
It's
We
past
both gotta go.
All right, guys.
We'll
Thank you for being here with us. We will be back at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, aka 8 p.m. Eastern Time for Asia session. So we'll see you then. Peace out, Girl Scouts.
Peace out, guys.
Great job, everybody. Great win, Tails. W's in the chat for Tails.
Dubs, guys. Thank you for coming.